Saya coba. Anjir, kenapa suara akhirnya kayak gitu, bos? Dud. Astaga. Tiba-tiba kalah. Gimana? Aduh, ibu. Kenapa? Oh, kenapa nge-lag seperti itu, hei? Slow ya turunin. Mari kita coba lagi live streaming. Walaupun speednya cuma 1,3 Mbps ya. Coba lagi, gak apa. Udah, mari coba. Semoga tidak ada gangguan apa-apa. Semoga aja. Semoga. Udah, mari coba. Semoga tidak ada gangguan apa-apa. Akhirnya saya selesai ujian. Ya, orang-orang pada selesai ujian hari ini. Mantap. Gimana? Oh, Anda ngambil rapot nanti ya? Ngambil rapot kapan, bro? Biasanya 2 minggu kan setelah ujian. Ambil rapot kapan? Lawan orang Jepang. Biasanya jago-jago nih orang Jepang.
Just a quick announcement, we would like to inform you that CCTV is now in operation for your safety.
Nggak tahu sih soal rapot. Bagus. Nggak, rapot pasti bagus lah. Kan banyak relasi Anda kan di sekolah. Buku pakai suruh sampul lagi, aduh. Sumpah Pak, saya nggak sampul. Saya dapat disampul. Kan pokoknya saya nggak otak-atik bukunya deh. Dapat disampul nih, ya keluar juga disampul dong. Pas dibalikin disampul juga. Tapi kalau pas datang nggak disampul ya saya tidak sampul. Kemarin saya banyak yang botak buku saya. Maksudnya tidak ada sampulnya. Caranya gini, diselipin di tengah kan. Kalau balikin buku kan ditumpuk kan, habis itu diikat. Nah, yang nggak disampul lo tumpuk di tengah, lumpetin di tengah, nggak bakal kelihatan Pak, nggak bakal kelihatan sumpah. Saya 2 tahun kayak gitu. Ambil dari sana punya saya Dokoy. Oh, berarti ya sisipin aja di tengah. Misalkan yang bagus nih lu taruh di 1 2 3 awal sama 1 2 3 akhir. 1 2 3 atas sama 1 2 3 bawah. Yang nggak disampul lu taruh. Halo Bang, halo Kenzi. Akhirnya live juga Bang, katanya habis isi aku gue cari. Iya makanya. Apa gara-gara ini rumah indie. rumah indie bener-bener dimatiin langsung live streamingnya. Nice info ya, tapi nggak semua nggak disampul juga ya. Misalkan dari 10 buku lu cuma nyampul 2 kan, Ya pasti ketahuan Pak
Played
kalau
out
kayak
to
gitu.
the left flank. Oh, well played. He needed to get that right.
Ngerti main nih orang sumpah, ngerti main. Semoga menang Bang, amin. Semoga nggak nge-lag aja udah. Kalau menang urusan belakangan, itu bisa diatur kalau menang.
But it's PK.
Masalahnya kan sekarang nge-lag.
PK. For Koulibaly.
Dia main di belakang aja.
But it's PK.
Kan, mulai kan.
Long ball out to the right. And it's Benzema.
Kan, mulai kan.
And here's
Nge-lag apa?
Cristiano
Live streamingnya aja
Ronaldo.
nge-lag tuh, muter-muter.
Chiesa.
Astaga.
Can he
Mulai nih.
finish? Oh, the ball's
Kan.
run loose here.
Mulai nih. Lihat aja. Dikit lagi juga connection,
Gets his
lost
pass
connection
away.
nih.
Oh, he's onto this.
Dikit lagi tiba-tiba berhenti nih live stream.
Inzaghi. There's the hit.
Ya, opening blow. Semoga ya enggak ya.
Manchester
Udah sekali-sekali
United.
gacha legend kayak Bang. Kagak ada Pak ininya, MC koinnya. Kalau ada juga saya gacha. Buat apaan itu MC koin saya simpen-simpen.
Now that's what I call finishing, right in the corner. He knew instinctively who was where and didn't need to waste any time weighing things up. That's a cracking goal.
Ya udah deh. Buat besok.
Arsenal trail at this early stage. How will they respond? Cristiano Ronaldo. Neymar. It's a pretty loose pass.
Pas di mana emang itu? Pas yang mana?
And here's Inzaghi. Now it's Otavio. Interesting ball. Can he finish?
Udah masuk. Ya Allah. Tas yang mana sih emang?
Casemiro.
We're seeing some really good pressure being applied here, Peter, particularly from those guys up front.
Yeah, and it just, I suppose, Jim, denies the others time and space.
Well, I would call it blanket suffocation. Every single player is committed to the press.
Towering header. It's in. And once more, we are all square. You score, we score.
Ada.
Well, that's so refreshing. They went a goal down, and you never would have guessed it. Their reaction has been emphatic.
He knows it's taken a big and very kind deflection, but he is claiming it nonetheless. And that has added a whole new complexion to the game.
Well, they just couldn't have responded any better, Peter. Yeah, there's the old cliche about how teams can lose focus after scoring, but you still have to take your chances. Brilliant.
Gets it back. Manchester United disappointing in the end there. They lack urgency. And the whistle's gone, presumably for offside.
Hah? Emang yang kayak gimana emang? Ya pakai yang coklat juga nggak apa-apa kali.
And
Emang
it's
harus
been
pakai
given
totol-totol
away.
itu.
Gets away from his opponents. Cristiano Ronaldo. It's Cristiano
nggak
Ronaldo!
masuk.
A wonderful effort all by himself.
Oh, after such a great run, I'm expecting him to go all the way, and instead,
Ya
he just
udah nih.
lost his way.
Tuh.
Roberto Carlos.
Diri.
And it's Neymar. And here's Inzaghi. Oh, good read. Oh, he's certainly caught him there. It's a free kick.
Ya ampun, itu dipakai aja tuh loh. Itu udah tas lama juga. Itu yang lama kan itu.
Not too many have the power or indeed the accuracy from this range. Would he dare to have a go? Neymar!
Masuk lagi
It's
terus nah.
loose and there's a race for the ball. Roberto Carlos. That is a brilliant interception. Poor pass that, sloppy. The ball is loose and the chase is on. Morishige gets across to intercept that. The
Anten.
assistant referee rightly gives him offside.
Nggak masuk lagi tuh.
It's a pretty loose pass. Fiddles it through. Now it's Pedri. Face to face with the keeper. Bit of an appeal, but nothing doing. Morishige. Neymar does really well to win the ball there. Otavio. And here's Inzaghi. Neymar. Looking for the runner. Played back in. Neymar! Good stop. That wasn't easy.
Neymar is very sporting here to acknowledge the quality of the save. A lovely little footballing moment.
Masih.
Keeper's dealt with that. And it's Rakitic. Now it's Vir. And the finish! Oh, great save. Real class.
Vert sparked a tremendous stop there, and I think it's fair to add, he just wasn't expecting it.
And that's been intercepted. Now then, the ball's
Udah
come
pakai aja
loose.
itu loh, Mas. Itunya yang putih.
Forwards and with intent. Lovely ball into space.
Ya,
It's the through ball. And he's in a really good position here
lewat
now.
lagi.
Casemiro. And the first 45 minutes are up. What it has been an even contest, as the scoreline suggests, and it has been more than decent to watch. And we are up to the break.
Oh, what a half of football. It's 1-1, but it could easily be 3-3 or more. Breakneck speed brilliance.
That's a really interesting game.
Tadi
When they
gimana
head in
emang?
at half-time at 1-1.
Atau selimutnya aja masukin itunya diituin. Itunya goodie bag-nya dilipat, masukin yang selimutnya aja.
Manchester United get the ball rolling in the second half. Poor pass that, sloppy. Cristiano Ronaldo. Good ball.
Udah.
He's left his man. Otavio. Vitz. A real chance to break.
Ayo mari. Tadi apa?
And it's Roberto Carlos.
Kita lanjut. Buku apa tuh? Bang punya Maguire gak? Tidak punya saya. Maguire sih berapa sih harganya Maguire? Buku latihan juga harus dicek.
Casemiro.
Sumpah iya. Buku latihan kadang dicek emang. Apalagi buku latihan bahasa Indonesia.
For safety.
Kalau dicek bener-bener. Apalagi catatan saya banyak bolongan.
Now Piqué.
Banyak bolongnya kan.
Pedri. Chiesa.
Semangat bang punya Maguire. Punya tadi tidak. Lah pada kemana tak? Aduh, gila baca komen langsung kebobolan. Lah pada kemana tidak tahu ya anjir. Tadi gua lupa cari buku buat Enda. Nah, lagian buku hilang, kok bisa hilang buku. Halo bang, halo. Siapa? Rama ya? Ah ya si Rama itu. Halo Rama. Langsung kebobolan. Gua kira gak live lagi bro. Sayang kalau dilepas momentumnya lagi enak.
Yeah, they deserve great credit for turning things around, but they now need the defensive resilience to eat.
He's had a shot.
Wah, tipis. Halo bang, halo Kenzo.
Neymar certainly could have.
Gimana denda? Denda berapa sih emang? Nyari buku yang sama atau kita bayar bukunya? Lumayan sih itu satunya.
Chiesa. Now it's Benzema.
Yes, Benzema, yes lagi apa namanya Morishige.
Excellent challenge
Neymar, come on Neymar, dapat.
uncompromising.
Kenapa ditarik lagi Neymar? Buku tulis bang.
Manchester United are definitely going about this the
Buku
right
tulis.
way.
There is an irresistible, irrepressible look
Apa
about
tar
them
dulu,
here.
saya tidak baca
You
komen
know,
yang
the
atas-atasnya
interest
apa yang ada yang
value in
lewat.
this game might
Aduh,
just take off from here.
no, kenapa begitu? Oke, bagus. No,
Oh, he's
oke offside ya.
himself offside.
Bang boleh gak saudara gue subscribe konten lu santai aja. Malah bagus lah, gimana sih? Satu kali alpha 5 bulan. Kasian. Anda sekolah di mana memang? Oh iya, denda alpha ya kemarin ya.
Played
Iya
out to
iya
the
iya
right.
iya.
James.
James. Mungkin di tempatmu buku Kiki murah bang, kalau di sini mahal. Emang Anda di mana? Di luar Jawa apa? Kalau di Pulau Jawa kayaknya harganya nggak tinggi-tinggi amat deh. Di bawah 50.000 biasanya buku-buku kayak gitu. Bang Elon mana nih? Sulan Elon, iya tuh apa? Elon sama Sorjono. Satu kali apa? Bang boleh itu tadi. Sumatera, Sumatera saya tidak tahu harganya berapa.
Well seen. Saw that coming.
Kalau di Pulau Jawa kayaknya nggak mahal banget tuh. Jangan di sprint
It's
harusnya.
run loose here. That's an untidy challenge. Free kick given.
Free kick. Astaga, nggak diapa-apain itu, wasit. Itu duel bola ya wasit. Aduh. Bang kalau komentar Elon gak usah dibaca bang.
He gets the ticking off
Kenapa?
and needs to be very careful now.
Anda dendam sekali sama si Elon.
And it's Locatelli. Oh, that's a key interception. Otavio, and that interception was most necessary. Neymar. Now it's Inzaghi. Well, there
Ayolah.
was an element of
bagus.
promise insofar as they kept the
Ayo,
ball
dapat.
well, but they did
Gila.
very little with it.
Nggak dapet loh itu. Nggak boleh gitu Kenzo. Tuh, sama Rama tuh,
Chiesa.
kasih tahu tuh Anda.
And it's Locatelli.
Emang dia punya masalah apa sama Anda?
And that's been intercepted. Rakitic.
Astaga, keblok lagi.
Oh, good read.
Ayo,
Otavio.
Sa,
Vids.
Sa,
Now Otavio.
Sa. Kenapa ke Otavio lagi? Gila. Kenapa nggak ke Inzaghi? Dapat ke Inzaghi. Iya, dapat.
Manchester
Iya, kalau di
United
Jawa
might just
kagak
end up
mahal,
kicking
Bang,
themselves
murah.
after that. If they're lucky enough to get another,
Di
it has
desa
to count.
pantas, susah aksesnya ya. Tapi masa satu kali alfa 5 buku, gila. Duit semua itu.
Casemiro.
You can never be short of runners
Dari
in
mana,
space,
Bang?
as
Dari
long as the
Jakarta
space
saya.
left behind is
Orang
filled.
Jakarta, bro.
Tries to get it clear.
Arsenal surely have to be commended for their drive and desire. Most teams would be
Iya
taking
ampun,
the
udah
easier
lewat
defensive
padahal masih
route by
digocek
now.
ke belakang juga. Saya tidak expect bakal lewat itu si Wirtz. Kan Mbappe.
Now there's a fine ball. He is through here.
Ya ampun, itu kenapa gila?
Promising, but the final ball is just not quite right.
Ayo, come on.
So what can they make of this? Now it's
Come on.
Inzaghi. Now it's
Wirtz.
Otavio.
Gila kontrolnya jelek banget.
Keep calm and carry on. That's the job in a nutshell now.
Kan gini nih. Sayapnya mana dia? Kan kosong tuh, sayap tuh. Oh, enggak lanjut Jus Beckham. Untung aja.
Rakitic. De
Ayo
Jong.
maju semua,
Now
maju.
looking to orchestrate a counter. And it's Neymar.
Ayo
Picks
Frankie,
out the
come on.
runner. He's through here.
Gila
Manchester United
Bisa-bisanya.
need to give it everything they have, kitchen sink included.
Bang, lu gak punya striker lagi ya, cuma Inzaghi. Iya, cuma Inzaghi doang. Kalau punya kok gak dipasang, kagak punya pak.
Created one goal already.
Ayo come on. Ih, kok ke situ sih, ngapain jauh-jauh?
Confirmation that there
Passing
will be
zone,
2
udah.
minutes stoppage time.
Saya belum dapat irama main
Wan
dulu
Bissaka.
deh. Kayaknya nggak dapat iramanya, gila.
And that is out of play.
Tapi ada manfaatnya bukunya, misal ranking 1 sampai 5 buku dibagikan. Oh, jadi bukunya buat ranking 1 ranking 5, Pak. Buat ranking 1 sampai 5 bukunya.
And And
Lah
time
enak
is
sekali
up.
mereka.
Manchester United just couldn't kill it off.
Enggak, ranking 1 sampai 5 dapat buku gitu mereka. Bang, live selesai jam berapa? Tidak tahu. Saya nggak malam-malam, paling jam 10 udah kelar. Bukan. Misal ranking 1 dapat 5 buku. Oh, ranking 1 dapat 5 buku, ranking 2 dapat 5 buku, ranking 3 dapat 5 buku, 4 buku, 5 buku. Anjir. Tekor juga. Emang buku apa? Buku apa sih? Buku tulis ya? Buku tulis, buku kosong kan? Dan seterusnya sampai buku habis. Oh. Buku ini kan, buku apa? Buku tulis kan, buku tulis biasa ya? Iya. Buat apaan gila buku tulis? Hah? Kirain saya buku bacaan atau apa? Ya, logikanya gini kan. Mereka kan belajar apa namanya? Udah cukup belajar berarti kan. Yang harusnya dapat buku yang ranking bawah dong. Iya nggak? Supaya lebih rajin. Ya dong, logikanya gitu kan. Yang dikasih buku biar lebih rajin, biar tambah rajin yang ranking bawah dong. Teman saya dapat 90 buku. 2 tahun itu, sampai berapa tahun ya? Enggak, kalau 1 tahun tuh taruh 15 buku lah 1 tahun ya. Anjir, bisa berapa tahun? Sampai kuliah kagak habis itu buku. Sampai kuliah kagak habis itu buku, by the way. Saya punya sih ini striker nih, Brety. Masa Brety saya mainin? Patok. Udah 108 sub saja bang, 184 sub saja iya nih. Cepet kan kemarin, sumpah saya speechless bang. Apa namanya, kemarin kan baru 171 kan, sekarang tiba-tiba. Padahal yang nonton anda-anda aja kan. Tiba-tiba 184. Hah? Si kaget. Halo Suhlon. Ya semua ranking dapat bang. Teman saya kelas 8 alpha sampai 1 bulan. Hah? Oh, online. Iya online juga sih. Iya juga sih. Susah juga kalau online. Kalau ya apa yang lu artiin sih kadang ada apa namanya yang jaringan kuotanya jaringan nggak bagus, kuota terbatas. Walaupun katanya dapat subsidi dari pemerintah kan tetap aja banyak yang alpha kan. Alasannya apa? Kuota nggak ada, berarti subsidi nyampe apa kagak itu? Atau emang muridnya saja yang bader?
Yeah, I think we can expect to see more than a few moments of individual brilliance with Neymar on the pitch, Peter. He's got such a silky touch. He can ghost past defenders and he can pass and shoot with the very best. If you're looking for someone to take your breath away, this is the guy for me.
Arturo Vidal, Pato, aduh gila, bagus banget itu capingnya.
Now who's going to be first to this?
Tidak itu.
Lovely feet. Cross goes in there.
No, oke, mantap. Lihat Frankie. Ayo maju, weird. Nggak dapet lu. Woi, gila di body mainnya. Gitu lu ya, main body lu ya. Saya juga bisa mas, main body. Mana? Sini offside. Bang kapan menangnya lu bang? Iya makanya itu dia. Saya udah tetap muka dari 2 bulan nih sama. Saya dari Januari awal pembelajaran tuh udah tatap muka. Nggak apa tatap muka kan bisa ketemu dia. Wah dia.
Out for a throw.
Awok. Out.
Once more.
Waduh, siapa tuh? Siapa tuh mas? Siapa tuh kira-kira?
Otavio.
Bagus, itu dia permainan yang saya inginkan. Langsung bapuk lagi. Waduh, siapa itu? Lu udah punya bang? Belum. Tidak. Saya belum mau.
Vidal. That's been intercepted.
Nanti aja lah. Jangan sekarang. Sin waktu.
Fitz. And it's
Jadi
Firmino.
bebas gitu. Lu ngerti gak sih? Jadi ada batasan. Kalau
Looking to break
gitu-gitu
out
tuh.
here. And here's Inzaghi. Lovely ball into space. Otavio is wide and looking to get onto
Ada
this.
special rules
Well, from
itu.
experience, I can tell you he'll get a lot of stick for getting that
Mau.
one wrong.
Nanti saja itu gampang. Wih, buset gampang.
And here's the chance to counter. Vidal. Pato.
Pato.
Now it's Perisic.
Gol. Bagus sekali
It's
Oliver
loose
Kahn.
and there's a race for the ball.
Saya nggak expect dia bisa kayak gitu loh Oliver. Astaga, Neymar siapa? Si ini kan
Granit Xhaka.
agak-agak ya.
Bernardeschi. Oh, good
Bagus.
read.
Ayo. No.
Chance.
Bangsat. Salahan di
He's
belakang.
done it.
Salah
Was
lagi.
a given. It always was.
Apa
Well,
salah
it's
aku
pretty damning on the
dikasih
part
kalah
of that
mulu
defense,
Konami.
Peter,
Hei,
that he was
celek itu apa,
allowed
Bang?
so much time and
Celek.
space. But I think
Celek apa?
you have to give credit where it's due. And it was a brilliant
Oh,
setup
Pak
and
Doeng
finish.
ya. Iya. Pak Doeng.
Deadlock broken. It's 1-0.
Ya, saya
Still
ingat
a
Pak
fragile
Doeng.
lead, though. They can't afford to sit on
Kamu
this.
tahu celek? Itu lu apa namanya yang ini Akatsuki lawan Ultraman tuh loh.
And here's Inzaghi.
Lu ngikutin itu gak?
Now there's a fine ball. Played out to the right.
Dapat. Ya, yang Akatsuki lawan Ultraman besok. Makan Indomie. Saya udah lama gak makan Indomie ya. Terakhir makan Indomie kapan?
He's had a fair tumble under that challenge.
Akatsuki lawan Ultraman.
Fitz. Now it's Inzaghi. It's a good spell of possession, this. Oh, good. Great hit. It's Renlu.
Rebound.
And in again.
Yes.
They've
Florian
scored.
Wirtz.
They're level.
Tayang di mana saya tidak tahu.
Yeah, they
Orang
say
tren
that
TikTok
fortune
aja
favours
gitu.
the brave, and we've just
Enggak,
seen
itu
an example.
tren TikTok
This
tahu
team
saya.
has real
Apa namanya
personality and
yang
character.
orang itu
He was really
yang
quick to
rapat.
react to the initial save, and he has his
Akatsuki
reward.
berulah kembali itu di TikTok, Pak. Bukan official, bener-bener ada acaranya. Akatsuki lawan Ultraman.
That has certainly made things interesting.
Dua kubu dengan universe yang berbeda. Dari universe yang berbeda. Ayo Inzaghi, yes, itu dia kelebihan Inzaghi ya. Elah, bapuk banget. Udah lama nggak main TikTok. Tikotok, kenapa Tikotok? Assalamualaikum pakai apa? Pakai apa pelindung? Shield. Ya, Anda gocek-gocek saja di pertahanan sendiri, nanti kerebut sendiri sama saya, baru tahu. Kan. Dapat Inzaghi, come on. Hampir tuh dapat. Nanggung bolanya. Jangan maju, Mings. Tolong, dia main one two tuh, lihat tuh. Siapa tuh lari tuh di tengah? Main one two dia ini. Jangan. Oke, bagus. Buang. Udah. Aubameyang larinya kenceng, Bang. Iya, bener. Dulu dia kenceng ya, cuma sekarang saya semenjak di Arsenal kan nggak jarang main kan. Udah jarang main kan akhir-akhir ini. Di Barca tuh kemarin sempat gacor juga. Aubacok, Bang Aubacok. Dari mana itu Aubacok? Dari mana kata-kata itu? Apalagi Lakaka tuh yang India itu, saya tahu. Lakaka, Kevin De Bruyne, yang Palestinian 5, Ultraman off, Specium apa tuh? Zeperion, apa itu gila? Zeperion. Woi, wasit, kok diam aja Anda wasit? Jangan pura-pura tidak tahu gitu sih. Main saya di tackle keras
Good
itu di situ.
spot, he's seen the
Kan
run.
kena karma
Oh,
lu.
this through ball looks good. Gets away from his opponent. And that's left him on the seat of his
Hey.
pants. And the
Florian
finish.
Wirtz masuk.
Manchester United.
Let's go.
They've done it. It was coming.
Bang nggak
They
malmingan
had
bang.
their
Mau
reward.
malmingan sama siapa? Kalau Anda ada, yang diajak saya tidak ada. Mohon maaf. Cushion up. Halo Bang, halo Mas Lucky. Halo, halo.
Manchester United take the lead.
Yeah, for me, this team seems to find it easier to
Ah, mulai
attack
panik
than
dia nih,
defend,
ayo.
but now they're going to need to dig in at the back a bit.
Poor pass that, sloppy.
Sebenarnya kita bisa main agak defensif sih. Cuma jangan sekarang deh kayaknya. Belum tepat, waktunya masih banyak.
Granit Xhaka, well seen. Saw that
Ah,
coming.
Rakitic tidak dapat lagi.
De Jong.
Well, Peter, just see here how a lot of the attacking
Ya.
players aren't dropping back.
Kenapa umpannya kayak gitu,
That
eh?
means just one thing, I suppose.
Yeah, they just simply want to win.
Inzaghi tidak masuk lagi, tidak masuk. Jangan panggil aku anak kecil, Pak. Itu Shiva, Pak. Makan ciki, Pak. Bang nggak pakai Safawi. Oh iya, Safawi Rashid ya.
Most necessary.
Boleh dicoba tuh. Ntar lu.
Otavio,
Saya minta pause dulu sama nih orang.
Wirtz. That's
Boleh
a
dicoba
decent
tuh.
ball.
Mumpung menang, Pak. Mumpung lagi menang, itu aja.
Now it's Roberto
Kapan lagi
Firmino.
menang? Dan bisa expect.
De Jong. And it's Neymar.
Ayo, come on.
Now it's Otavio.
Ah, tidak pelanggaran, gila.
Oh, that's a
Waduh,
fine
buset, 2
challenge.
kali ditabrak loh Otavio. Buset nih, PES main gerasak gerusuk kayak gini kagak pelanggaran loh.
Pato
Wasitnya
set up
baik
one goal
sekali.
so far. And that's put
Fluid
pace on
Anda
promising
ketinggalan
goals.
sih.
Oh, he's in a really good position here.
Bagus, Frankie. Ayo,
That's been one straight back.
jaga, jaga, jaga.
Granit Xhaka. Now
Turun,
it's
turun, hei,
Roberto
turun, turun,
Firmino.
turun, turun, turun. Turun, 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 turun. Turun, turun, hei.
Vidal.
Midfieldnya nggak
That's
turun.
really well controlled.
Ayo,
Wirtz.
Well, this is exactly the approach they have to take now, Peter.
There
Come
is
on.
an
Frankie.
irresistible, irrepressible look about them here.
Well, the question now is whether
Yeah.
they can sustain it.
begayaan, begayaan, ea.
And here's Neymar. And the shot.
Wah, bagus. Mantap.
Oh, that push,
Bang,
no
katanya pakai klub
routine
Juventus.
save.
Tidak, saya
What can I
nyoba
say?
MU dulu.
Truly wonderful goalkeeping.
Substitutions taking place.
Jokowi kan apalagi bocil ikan. Kenzi emang ada sinyal di goa. Parah banget, Pak. Saya bukan saya ngomong ya. Oke, kita coba masukin Safawi. Aduh, Safawinya belum dibawa. Belum dibawa, Pak. Tidak ada di sub Safawinya. Nanti saya masukin sub dulu. Kemarin baru beli-beli, lupa dimasukin sub, lupa dibawa. Pakai PSG aja, PSG sudah terlalu mainstream, bro. Lagi pula saya kurang suka PSG yang sekarang.
And the goalkeeper's got a good palm to that.
They may end up with some regret with this tactic, but you have to admire their commitment
Wah,
to goals.
gila nih. Ditubruk mulu main gue.
Well intercepted, and it certainly needed to be.
Ih. Martinelli, Anthony. Aduh, Anthony main di Ajax dia. Winger juga tuh, bahaya tuh. Di sini sinyalnya H+. Oh ya, pantes. 3G ya. Ya, 3G. Pantes nge-lag. Lah, Anda pakai kuota. Anda kok pakai kuota? Lagi ada goa, waduh, lagi ada goa. Goa ada sinyal. Alexander Zinchenko, bener gak Alexander Zinchenko? Sama Barca, waduh, Barca tapi sudah mulai bangkit loh. Barca sudah mulai bangkit, bro. Yes, keblok. Mantap. Nggak punya duit aja Barca, masalahnya kena salary cap kan, yang
Otavio
financial fair play, jadi nggak bisa daftarin pemain lagi.
fiddles it
Itu
through.
dia masalahnya.
Here's the through ball. Good read, needed to
Sampai
be.
disewain loh.
Granit Xhaka.
Demi apa? Biar pendapatannya bisa nambah,
Good read.
biar naikin si salary
And
capnya
here's
itu.
Neymar. Interesting. Has a goal.
Ya ampun. Gila.
Oh, that was nice, but not quite the
Jagoan
end
Milan atau
required.
Juventus bang,
That
saya
was created
mohon maaf
because of
nggak nonton
good
Serie A,
lively
nggak
movement,
nonton
which pretty much
Liga
dictates
Spanyol.
the
Mungkin Liga
pass.
Spanyol sekali nonton ya. Serie A nggak nonton, yang saya nonton cuma
Look, there has to be
Premier
more
League doang.
urgency here. The ball has to
Gue
get
lagi
to
buka
the
puasa
other
sama
end
Madrid.
much faster.
Wah, Madrid
Gets his pass away.
setelah
No,
puasa
that's been
gelar
intercepted.
diselamatkan sama
I thought
Courtois.
it was gonna
Courtois yang
happen there.
menjamu ya
How
kayaknya ya
many
kemarin
more
ya.
chances can they
Nggak bener loh.
realistically expect now?
Oh, biarin out. Yes.
Referee's given a throw.
Stadion Barcam dibeli situs Sport enggak. Di kemarin di ini kan dibeli sama, bukan dibeli. Ada sponsornya, nambah sponsor kan, jadi Spotify Camp Nou
Has been indicated.
nama stadionnya.
Could move up a gear here.
Di jersey-nya juga ada ini
Out to
Spotify kan.
right.
Aduh ya
Gets
Allah.
into some space. He's left his man.
Yes. Come on. Come on. Yes, menang. 2-1. Akhirnya
So that's
menang,
it.
ya Allah.
It is all over.
Milan di
Manchester
Italia, iya,
United
iya,
lose
Milan di Italia.
after an absolutely outstanding game. Fabulous drama as they dragged
Courtois
it
gue
back from
traktir.
behind. Made it happen.
Indomie nih bang,
and
10
won.
bungkus, buset.
Vince picking up
Lambung
the man
aman
of
itu,
the match award.
lambung aman.
No surprise there. So Jim, how do you reflect on
Lambung
what we've
Anda
seen?
gimana mas?
Look, this is a good
Besok
win for
dibeli
me.
sama
They
Ade.
know they've got the
Belikan lagi.
organisation.
Ntar deh, saya ngecek ini deh. Harga sewa lapangan deh, bentar. Harga sewa lapangan di Camp Nou ya. Barcelona. FC Barcelona. Coba bentar. Kemarin mereka sempat ngumumin loh. Mana ya? I hope you're happy. But not how you are with me. Selfish, I know. Can't you go? Mana ya? Ya Allah, saya lupa lagi postingan yang mana. Mainin game Lego Batman 3. Saya nggak punya. Saya nggak punya Lego Batman 3, Saiful. Persib lebih baik daripada Barca karena Barca nggak punya piala Liga Indonesia. Ya. Absen bang, ada Rama, ada Ren, ada Saiful, ada Sulon, ada ABCDE, ada P, ada S, ada G, ada Winda, ada Basudara, ada Miau, ada Auk, ada Apip, ada Yulistian, ada Elkan, ada Bagot, ada Sin, ada T, ada Yong, ada Egi, ada Maulana, ada Fikri, ada Bagus, ada Kavi, ada Oliver, ada Kan, ada Roberto, ada Carlos, ada Bali, ada United, ada bocil Juventus, ada bocil Coach Justin, ada bocil Lego Batman, banyak sekali. Apa tuh tadi koci-koci? Milan gerosak-gerusuk ya. Saya nggak nonton Serie A jadi saya tidak bisa memberikan komen. Bali lebih baik daripada Barca. Waduh. Persela lebih baik daripada Barca. Wah, bukan saya ngomong ya. Ya saya ngomong, saya cuma membaca komentar Anda. Jangan lupa di-subscribe Saiful supaya bisa 200 subscriber minggu ini. Besok lah 220. Besok live streaming aja males. Mau 200 subscriber. Persija lebih baik daripada ada aja ya. Memang. Saya untung tidak nonton Liga Indonesia. Saya cuma nonton Premier League, udah itu aja sih. Karena kalau tuh apa namanya Big Six-nya masih apa namanya maksud gap-nya nggak terlalu jauh Pak. Misalkan kayak Liverpool sama mungkin Liverpool sama City udah beda liga ya, udah beda kelas ya itu ya. Chelsea sendiri punya liga sendiri dia Chelsea. Kan 4, 5, 6 bahkan sampai 7 juga apa namanya perebutan peringkatnya kan masih seru gitu loh. Kemarin ya apa namanya ngomong apa sih kemarin apa namanya waktu La Liga ya Barkanya lagi keok kayak gitu, Atletico-nya ya lu tahu sendiri Atletico ya udah pasti Madrid ya kan. Kalau di apa rajanya La Liga kan cuma ada si Madrid, Barca sama Atletico kan yang langganan Champions League. Mungkin sama Valencia deh. Habis itu udah nggak ada lagi kan. Kalau di Inggris siapa coba? Ada Tottenham, ada City, ada Liverpool, ada Chelsea, ada MU. Terus ada apa? Ada Arsenal juga kan. Ada siapa lagi? Chelsea. Ya itu 6 lah, Big Six-nya. Seru Big Six-nya. Kebobolan lagi anjir. Save. Sparkling. The reflex. Persib pas sama Asian. Oh iya, Asian pernah ke Persib ya. Hey, Asian tuh pemain Chelsea kan. Arema All Club karena Arema punya Piala Presiden. Persija juga punya loh. Ya Allah. Terlalu dini ya. Cepet saya masukin majuin si usia Arsenal berapa Bang? Tahu dah. Kayaknya udah dapat deh, udah pernah dapat. Waktu zamannya Thierry Henry itu. Ya, saya belum lahir sih cuma saya sempat baca-baca.
Well, unsurprisingly, Peter, the opposition look completely stunned.
Duer masuk, come on. Florian Wirtz, bagus sekali. Ya, balas selebrasi dia. Ini selebrasinya Alvaro Morata kalau nggak salah. Aku punya, waduh, siapa tuh? Blanco Madrid plus UC karena kualitas pemainnya bagus. Udah itu aja.
Manchester United get themselves back into contention. Well, it was important they didn't get ahead of themselves and lose their discipline.
Karena kualitas pemain. Dan apa namanya mentalnya juga sudah bagus. Beda sama PSG yang kalau Madrid itu main sebagai tim. Apalagi midfieldnya udah kompak banget itu. Yang Casemiro, Kroos sama Modric kan dah, ya lu tahu sendiri. Benzema juga udah terbukti kan. Waktu itu dia nggak bagus karena ketutup sama Ronaldo. Harus harus buka ruang buat Ronaldo. Makanya dia tidak terlalu kelihatan kan waktu ada Ronaldo. Benzema Ballon d'Or. Pasti usianya Arsenal 20. Masa 20? Kayaknya enggak deh. Enggak sebanyak itu, Liverpool aja baru 6. 6 ya Liverpool, iya baru 6 Liverpool. Kenapa Arsenal bisa 20? Ya bahkan Barca punya banyak CDR apa Copa del Rey. Copa del Rey daripada Madrid. Wah, Copa del Rey itu League Cup-nya Spanyol ya. Kayak FA Cup-nya Spanyol ya.
Still very early doors, but it is a closely contested affair. Nice ball, and he might be in here. Goes in for the header. Could fall kindly.
Bagus. Come on.
Manchester United are back on level terms.
Let's go, Seri. Cuma pakai PP Barca.
Khan Did well the first time. Nothing
Anda
he could do
kayaknya
about the
apa
follow-up.
namanya
Oh,
fans
Peter, you can't teach that.
Barcelona
You either have
sekali.
it or you don't. His anticipation is on another
Fans
level
garis
to
keras
everyone
ya.
else's. Superb.
After 28 minutes is
We have ourselves a real game here.
number 11.
Well, this is to be expected, Peter, when you've got two strong teams of fairly equal standing. The outcome should all come down to finishing.
Bagus.
Well seen. Saw that coming. And it's Inzaghi. Sends it forward. And now the breakaway. That's a decent ball.
Hei, Michael Owen. Tidak bisa Michael Owen. Enak saja Anda. Tidak akan kedua kalinya Anda lepas seperti itu ya. Bagus.
Oh, super
Come on.
tackle. They were outnumbered and under the
Tiki,
cosh. That had to
Taka.
be spot on, and
Tiki.
it was.
Taka. Ya kenapa ke sono? Harusnya ke Neymar. Aduh. Ada-ada aja dah indikatornya. Udah kok nyamar jadi fans Mi. Mulai
Mulai
ngakak.
Now it's Owen.
Duh, kok saya pegel ya? Duduk.
Goalkeeper's ball.
Ayo. Buset, jauh amat lemparannya.
One way to stop him.
Untung dapet Neymar. Ayo, bangun nih.
Neymar. And it's
Dapat
lofted
Carlos.
through here.
Bagus. Frankie lihat. Semoga menang Bang. Amin. Udah 2 sama
Made a
nih.
surge from fullback, as it turned out unsuccessfully.
Anda masa apa namanya?
And here's Inzaghi. He's in a great position.
Ah,
Inzaghi
no.
unable to
Besok
make it happen
live
for
lagi
all
nggak?
his good
Belum tentu kalau
intentions.
besok ya. Kalau weekend belum tentu Pak. Minggu saya keluar ada
And
latihan
here's Neymar. And here's Inzaghi.
buat
That
wisuda,
is a
buat
brilliant
lepasan.
interception.
Minggu nggak tahu deh. Sabtu nggak tahu deh. Lihat saja nanti ya. Anda standby di channel di notif aja. Loncengnya dinyalain. Itu aja kuncinya sekarang.
Neymar.
Itu emot apa juga?
Oh, he's picked out the runner.
Yes.
And
Come on.
that'll be the last act
Semoga
of the
selalu
first half.
aduh,
Manchester
kenapa
United
gitu? Gua nggak ada
come out of a
nitip,
half
Bang.
that
Hah,
has been
nitip
quite
apaan?
extraordinary on many counts.
Anda mau nitip sendal?
High scoring,
Kumalala.
truly exciting.
Kumalala kenapa itu Kumalala? Siapa itu Kumalala? Belum pemain Vietnam, Bang. Emang ada
So
pemain
we
Vietnam?
reach the halfway point.
Well, what an enjoyable first half.
Tapi kan
Just when you
Arsenal
think a
punya
two-goal
piala
lead
emas
can be
daripada
decisive,
piala
it's
emas
gone again,
daripada
and
klub.
I hope
Oh,
the goals keep
piala
coming.
emas yang
Points
Arsene
are
Wenger
half.
itu
More
ya.
of the same, please. Score at the interval,
Piala emas
2-2.
apa sih itu?
And we're already back underway here.
That's a modern defender's instinct from a modern coach's mindset.
Pelanggaran sih.
Whistle's gone, that's foul.
I show speed, Messi. I show speed. Yang teriak-teriak gitu ya. Notif. Oh, gua nggak ada notif. Dinyalain bro loncengnya. Padahal udah nyalain lonceng. Oh iya, kadang
Marquinhos
memang.
has been booked just to confirm
Ngebak-ngebak
for that
jelas
earlier
dulu.
incident. Neymar is eyeing up his options in the middle.
Well, that's the first attempt, Peter. We've seen it.
Apa
One of
gitu?
those raking passes just to spread the play.
Ih bagus, diserempet gitu coba sama si Mings.
And he's
Kok
in
udah
a
dapet
really
gila
good
itu?
position here
Padahal
now.
ditutup loh.
Neymar's cross.
No, buang. Oke,
That was very necessary.
dah. Madun lebih baik daripada Messi. Madun ajaib sih Pak.
It's a poor throw that.
Apa
Kicked
tendangan
off with
Garuda ya?
relative ease.
Tendangan Garuda juga tuh si Iqbal itu tuh
De
dulu
Jong.
saya nonton, saya ingat banget.
Manchester
Neymar
United
kosong, yes.
applying the press
Itu dia.
here, a high press.
Tengah, yes,
Yeah, we've seen
come on,
it.
Can he finish?
yes,
Superb goal!
let's go,
Dependability is one
comeback
thing, and he
is
brings that
complete.
to his game. But that sort of
Ya kalau nggak salah dia
dynamism
kemarin
is
bikin
another
lagu untuk
attribute
mendewakan
he's blessed with, and it's
seorang
revealed on a
CR7.
regular basis too. Superb.
Ronaldo banting HP, Messi ngukur lapangan. Oh Messi ngukur lapangan.
No space, no problem.
Sewe.
You just cannot stop him.
Filippo Inzaghi demonstrated great strength there. I mean, he really had to hold his man off and just
Let's
create
go.
enough room for him to be able
3-2.
to get the shot away.
And the
I think it's just
comeback
top
is
play.
complete. Ultraman Vidal. Oh, Vidal tuh yang ini tahu apa namanya yang pengen ikutan apa namanya tren yang di Indonesia itu, yang up lu tau nggak, yang jedak-jeduk up, yang ada 3 gaya kalau nggak salah, yang gaya terakhir macan itu tuh. Iya sih, Vidal di TikTok ngupload video begituan, cuma dia nggak bisa ngedit. Ya jadinya kayak gitu. Nggak ngerti cara ngedit jedak-jeduk kan dia.
He acknowledges that he should have come up with something better there.
He made it look a bit predictable.
Kolong lagi gila. Modric, Gavi, Pedri. Ya Modric lebih pengalaman lah. Ini jelas. Gavi sama Pedri masih berapa tahun pak? Masih muda mereka. Pengalaman juga belum banyak. Modric sudah 30 plus kan.
Vinicius Junior.
Wah gila sih ini orang. Tapi kan Fuji viral gara-gara bukan saya ya, saya tidak ngikutin berita-berita selebriti seperti itu. Ya saya tahu beritanya, cuma nggak ngikutin sampai apa Fuji itu. Saya tahu ya kan, beritanya saya tahu, cuma apa namanya telat, harusnya dari tadi itu di passing weird. Gila sih diserang mulu by the way bro. Halo. Ya come on. Oh dapat loh. Weh, pelanggaran sih. Play on, ya. Yes. Thank you. Bagus, dapat lagi. Rhys James, crossing. Weh, pelanggaran dong sih. Ya ampun, gila dari tadi pemain saya dijatuhin mulu. Frankie, come on, dapat. Nggak dapat loh Rakitic. Awas itunya. Ya kan, bener kan. Belakang aja, belakang. Nice. Awas, hati-hati. Vini Ansu Fati. Ya Vini Ansu Fati gara-gara cedera kan. Cedera kemarin.
Maldini cuts it out.
Wah, dapat loh gila. Masuk aja umpannya. Lah. Kayak gitu. Vini Asu. Kalau 18 enggak, maksudnya apa namanya, bukan konten ya, bukan konten atau apa namanya, bukan batasan umur kocak. Itu apa namanya, maksudnya masih muda. Kalau 30 plus kan di sepak bola udah tua gitu. Bagus bodinya. Elah, Bang. Bener. Bang udah punya belum punya. Belum. Ntar aja itu mah. Santai aja. Frankie De Jong hasil trik Samya. Oh iya. Bener. Saya lupa tuh trik siapa tuh. Cuma ada yang ngasih trik waktu itu. Harry Maguire lebih baik daripada Pique. Ya Pique pak, lebih bagus lah. Maguire belum terbukti lah di MU lah. Cuma kalau dia main di timnas Inggris, main waktu itu di Leicester kan bagus ya. Di MU aja nih. Langling-lung doang dia. Kayak baru main bola gitu. Nggak ada chemistry-nya sama si Varane ataupun si Lindelof. Duh menang dong, ayo dong, gila. No. Untung offside. Oh pelanggaran. Untung pelanggaran, gila. Ramos lupa Van Dijk lah, gila. Ya Ramos one of the best sih, cuma kalau untuk saat ini ya Van Dijk. Beda era kan mereka.
Filippo Inzaghi.
Keren gak tuh gocekan gue tadi? Bukan gocekan sih, itu cuma
It's
capping bola
Rakitic.
biasa doang
It's
sih.
a pretty loose pass.
Ayo ultra defensif.
Yeah, it's safe to say
No,
that they just need to manage this
kejar
to
Morisi
secure the
J.
win
Ayo,
now.
ayo kan.
And Son Heung-min. And the shot!
Nah.
Goal!
Gol Azo udah mereka.
We thought it was
Ramos
over.
lah banyak UC,
It's all
UCL.
square once more.
Sekarang gini, kalau saya apa namanya nilai
That looks like
nilai
a
suatu pemain kan
preconceived
bukan
plan.
dari
Win the
trofinya
ball
kan. Kalau
and then
trofi
unleash.
itu semua tim dong, ya kan? Lu setuju kan? Semua tim yang dinilai satu tim itu, bukan dari satu pemain kalau dapat trofi. Itu Sulon Elon Ultimate apa
All
gitu.
square again into the dying minutes. Looking for the runner.
Ya elah Kak,
You
seri ya
wonder
sudah lah
if
ya.
that's it now, but there may be one more
Ikhlaskan
opportunity, Peter,
saja.
for a late steal here.
Kita main balance. Aduh, bahaya tuh. Ya, kebobolan nih.
Hits one.
Awas.
The final seconds now.
Ayo.
Defenders
Terakhir.
on the back foot.
Terakhir.
De Jong. Now it's Wirtz.
Bangsat.
Looking
Yaudahlah.
here to chip it through.
Rama All Club.
And that is
Udah lah
that.
Bang, Rama selalu tekan
What a
bulat
game,
kalau Van Dijk
wonderful
selalu
stuff
pakai.
and the right result.
Bang.
Neither side really deserved to lose.
Iya benar kalau kalau Ramos ya tackle-nya ya sliding tackle ya. Ya kalau Van Dijk body short apa namanya? Apa short tackle ya namanya ya? Apa? Iya short tackle kalau nggak salah. Fabio Negara, waduh. Virgil tinggal mencet L2 sama silang. Badannya gede. Kenapa saya udah mulai capek ini? Padahal baru live streaming. Udah sejam sih. Iya udah mau sejam sih. I hope you're happy, but don't be happy. Aduh masih 184 aja ini, tidak nambah. All itu beramin. Lo di Fabio Quartararo. Saya adiknya Fabio Cannavaro, Pak. Anak ya, adiknya Fabio Carvalho, adiknya. Ada tahu kan Fabio Carvalho? Pemain Fulham yang dibeli sama Liverpool. Buset. Kok gini nih orang tengahnya kosong amat. Bener-bener main long ball apa gimana ini? Bener long ball. Rossi All Club, Rossi PSI. Sudah hei. Puisi. Acimalaka, siapa itu Acimalaka? Ternyata jersey itu lebih hoki daripada jersey Barca. Lebih hoki daripada jersey Barca ya. Ini di stadionnya Juventus. Apa namanya? Allianz Stadium sih. Allianz Stadium kan punyanya si Munchen. Kenapa Allianz Stadium juga Juve? Buset dia main defending. Iya long ball kan dia mainnya, bener kan? Buat Pirates. Karena gap antara midfielder sama ininya jauh banget. Dan langsung main defend lagi dia. Tiang kan? Itulah kalau lo main defend. Ini yang terjadi.
Well, once more, it's him, and we can't be surprised
Let's
because
go.
his instinct for doing this is
Ketiban
incredible.
mata. Pengen main pas HP Anda sudah nyampe belum?
Look, that was a technical interaction.
Gila,
of
one-two-nya keren
football
sekali ya.
that has gone down
Dan
a treat.
finishing dari Neymar memang kurang. Apa namanya, kurang beruntung, tapi bisa direbut lagi sama Neymar. Cutback there.
Juventus
Belum.
didn't expect
Berapa
this,
hari
that's
lagi
for
nyampe,
sure.
Bang?
What can they do now? Conte. Looking tidy in possession here. Well seen. Saw that coming. De Jong.
Ah,
The
offside.
assistant referee has his flag raised for
Emang HP lu
offside.
kenapa? Katanya Senin. Masih lama tuh Senin tuh. Emang kalau nungguin sesuatu, kalau ditungguin malah jadi lama loh. Nikmati saja dulu. Anda main ini aja, apa namanya, DLS juga seru tuh, DLS atau FIFA Mobile. FIFA Mobile tuh bagus tuh.
Dybala. And that
Kecil juga kan dia, nggak
interception
gede-gede
was
banget
most
kan.
necessary.
Ya walaupun download di dalamnya gede sih, ya. Komentator, stadion segala macem
And it's Conte.
gede.
And it's Batshuayi.
Cuma kayaknya FIFA Mobile masih bisa dimainin deh.
Rakitic. Neymar. Pavard cuts out the
Terlalu mudah
pass.
tertebak, udah tahu masih udah dijagain itu garisnya. Kenapa Anda masih umpan ke situ juga?
Anthony.
Bagus, Reece James. Ah, dapat lagi mereka.
Batshuayi. Dybala.
Ini dia. Over the top bahaya.
And a shot.
Oh shit.
And yes, it's there. They're level in a trice.
Stunning shot barusan. FIFA aja enak. Eventnya bagus ya, eventnya bagus tuh. Apalagi kartunya gua animasi gokil ya bener. Gua RAM 3 untung bisa. Main PUBG aja bang.
Gila, lu lihat kagak
stunning shot ini, gila. Ya emang stunning shot kalau diberi ruang kayak gitu, dikasih ruang kayak gitu emang rada-rada tremor sih. Gameplaynya sampah. Bagus kok gameplaynya. Saya nyoba sendiri. Bagus tuh gameplaynya. Mungkin kalau lo belum biasa susah juga ya.
And that's been intercepted.
Lo kalau udah biasa juga bagus itu gameplaynya. Lo pakai yang 60 fps pak. Bisa lah harusnya 60 fps ya.
And they can counter
Semua
here.
HP.
It's a pretty loose pass.
Pakai 60 fps, grafiknya medium atau ya high boleh lah, high.
He's left his man.
Atau yang medium juga udah cukup
Now it's
sebenarnya.
Batshuayi.
Asal bisa 60 fps aja. Bagus itu.
Oh, great save, real class.
Oh, that's a sparkling save. Absolutely sparkling. His reflexes were ultra sharp.
Hmm.
And it's Batshuayi.
Dia tidak main long ball lagi apa?
Now it's Batshuayi.
Offline itu ada misinya, iya. Kalau FIFA emang terkenal sama objektifnya pak. Banyak objektif emang dia tuh. Makanya jadi kita player kan nggak bosen jadinya kan.
Still very early doors, but it
Kartunya
is a
juga banyak
closely
banget,
contested
desainnya
affair.
bagus-bagus. Itulah FIFA. Kalau PES, kuncinya main di FIFA dapat pemain bagus tuh bukan gacha sebenarnya. Rajin main itu aja, rajin main, login setiap hari. Ntar juga dapat kartu bagus. Saya kemarin dapat apa namanya? Yang Mbappe TOTS tuh waktu itu tuh. Mbappe TOTS rating 94. Gratis nih. Out dong. Bagus. HP ku kentang bang. Bisa mas main FIFA kayaknya bisa deh. Masa nggak bisa?
And here's Neymar. This is promising. And that's been levered.
Iya medium aja nggak apa-apa. Grafiknya medium tuh 60 fps. Nggak perlu high juga. Saya juga pakai di medium kok. Kalau main FIFA. Ya walaupun sekarang udah nggak dimainin lagi ya. Karena saya bosen. Cuma ya buat nunggu patch maintenance kan lumayan.
He's offering an apology for that. He needed to deliver a better ball.
Lu itu ada misinya TOTY. Iya, Team of the Year, ya. TOTS, TOTS yang Team of the Season kan.
That's been intercepted.
Kagak kekunci. Apa tuh? Ya Allah, HP tumpah mah kagak kekunci. Gameplaynya sampah kagak kekunci. Maksudnya kagak kekunci gimana?
Now who's going to be first to
Assalamualaikum,
this?
waalaikumsalam, Rafasya. Oh ya, si Boti datang. Mana aja kamu Bot?
The cross comes in, and that's been well dealt with.
Kemana saja kamu?
Looking to break out here. Wirtz. And here's Inzaghi. Final ball not
kepotong
quite
lagi.
right. His teammates are irritated at that.
Gue gak bisa main stumble lah. Kenapa gak bisa main stumble? Stumble guys kecil kok. Cuma 200 MB kan itu?
And that interception
Kurang lebih ya?
was most necessary.
Apa kurang? Atau lebih? Saya tidak tahu.
That is a brilliant
Aduh, harusnya ke tengah tuh. Jangan buru-buru langsung masuk gitu bolanya.
1 minute at a time.
Oke, sabar. Main zona.
Looking for the
Ya
runner.
gitu. Bagus.
Cut it out.
Dah. Half time.
Past that, sloppy.
Kekunci 60 FPS-nya. Oh,
So,
kekunci
very
60
watchable
FPS-nya.
game so far. Action at both ends and
Berarti
the
ya
teams
device-nya
level.
memang.
That's
Tapi
a really interesting
FIFA
game
tetap
when they head in at
recommended.
half-time.
Recommended. Kamu nggak mau bikin member? Member itu minimal harus ada ininya, harus apa namanya? Pertama harus monet dulu. Yang pertama yang pasti kebuka tuh monet dulu kan, baru member nanti. Nggak tahu aku apa namanya
It's the whistle then to start the second
ini
half.
member atau enggak.
It's a pretty loose pass.
Apa namanya?
Fiddles it through. And he's
Kapan
found the
buka
run.
membernya?
Now it's Anthony.
Karena sekarang belum bisa. Community tab aja belum ada sekarang.
That's
Makanya saya
tidy.
kemarin bikin pengumuman itu pakai YouTube Short kan, bikin videonya. Karena community tab nggak ada, community tab tidak ada. Susah sekali ngomongnya.
A real chance to break. Now it's Inzaghi. De Jong. Now it's Inzaghi. Now there's a fine ball. And the danger is averted.
Belum dapat akses member kayaknya Bang Fabio. Iya. Nanti apa namanya?
Good
Kalau
pressure.
misalkan udah ada
Not sure
member
they
ya,
should
misalkan
purpose
udah
here.
ada member, kayaknya live chatnya saya bikin member only aja nggak sih?
Anthony
Ya nggak?
and Dybala. He's beaten the last man.
Only
Now
member
it's
aja
Anthony.
gitu, live
There's
chatnya.
the hit.
Wah gila nih orang nih, bener-bener. Community katanya harus 1000 subs. Oh 1000 subs harus dapat monet dulu berarti ya? Ayo lo bingung lo.
Oh, that was expansive and
Ya,
incisive.
corner.
The type of move
Bape
to
kau mata
please any
duitan.
coach.
Ya gimana daripada apa namanya? Kayak kemarin kan siapa tuh? Mau apa komen kagak jelas banget itu. Ada bocil. Siapa itu kemarin lupa saya namanya.
Good try. The outcome could so easily have been different.
Ada bocil komen. Saya time out aja.
Wirtz.
300 detik. Tobat dia.
De Jong.
Pak. Ini lagi.
Picked out the runner. Out to the right.
Takutnya ada orang-orang kayak gitu, Pak. Maksud saya. Enggak mahal kok.
Loose pass and they could be in.
Kan berbayang paling 5.000 atau enggak paling mahal ya. Paling mahal paling 10.000. 5.000 lah paling 4.900. Besok live gabang nggak tahu saya. Kurang tahu kalau besok. Lihat saja nanti. Paling dibikin 5.000 iya. Kan nanti ada beberapa tier juga kan. Ada beberapa tingkatan.
And it's Dybala. And it's Conte.
Full
Full past that, sloppy. Rakitic.
It's Tiki Taka.
Neymar.
Tiki Taka. Tiki Taka.
Neymar has
Tiki.
created one goal already.
Buset jauh amat.
Bounce of
Taka.
passing here,
Ah.
really easy on the eye.
Jauh amat itunya. Jarak antar
It's
pemainnya.
Dybala.
Kan ini
Interesting
bahaya
ball.
nih. Begini-begini nih.
No, that's been
Untung
intercepted.
Philips yang ngejar. DM
Looked
dia
as though
itu.
that might lead to something
Si
quite
Phillips.
promising, but it
Posisinya.
turned out that
Kenapa
was
dia ada
not
di
the
sayap?
case.
Wantu.
Passing nice and
Aduh, wantu manja tidak. 2.000 lah biar bisa top up. Kalau buset 2.000 emang ada harga membership 2.000.
Anthony doesn't get the pass he's looking for.
Memang ada membership 2.000.
Octavio.
Membership apaan nih? Paling murah aja 5.000.
Roberto Carlos. And it's Neymar. And the shot!
Yes! Astaga, Inzaghi.
But nearly is nothing.
Kalau paling dibikin 5.000 ya, atau enggak 10.000 ya betul. Info Super Win, weh. Siapa? Membership goreng. Gorengan iya kayaknya, tukang gorengan kayak langganan 2.000. Bener. Saya buat apa bukan membership, susah-susah bikin emoji buat emoticon kalau cuma dijual 2.000 kan.
There is some activity down on the touchline. It seems there's going to be a change.
Ya, semoga saja, doakan saja cepat ya bisa unlock membership. Semoga saja cepat bisa 1.000 subscriber.
Fitz. Played out towards the right wing. He is through here. Oh, it's
Gila.
come loose.
Ya ampun, pemainku dari tadi jatuh-jatuhan loh, gila. Dihajar sama backward
Referee's given
lawan.
a throw.
Gorengan aja sekarang 2.000 kan. Bakwan 2.000 sekarang. Satu.
Octavio.
Sumpah nggak bohong saya. Ya ada sih yang masih ada sih yang 1.000.
Needs to
Yang
return
1.000-an.
pass.
Sekarang lu tahu ini nggak apa namanya?
Manchester
Gala-gala
United
atau bala-bala ya?
full marks
Bala-bala
for their
kayaknya,
attitude
bala-bala.
and application
Itu
in trying
3.000
to win
gila.
this. It
Kayak
means
bakwan
an
gitu
awful
cuma
lot, obviously.
isinya sayuran gitu loh, bro.
Well seen.
Sayuran
Saw
yang
that coming.
digoreng pakai tepung, kayak bakwan lah. Mirip-miripnya. Cuma sayurannya lebih banyak. Kalau bakwan kan cuma wortel, toge, dan lain-lain.
Juventus showing a good level of intensity at this stage. They're
Kalau ini
calling
lebih
on all
gede-gede
their
gitu
resources now.
ininya. Hei, pelanggaran wasit. Oh, play on. Ya sudah.
It's run loose
Ih, gila
here.
nggak dapet.
Excellent. Great chance.
Astaga,
Oh, the ball's run
Allah.
loose here.
Yes, corner.
And
Mantap.
somehow
Bikin aja
he
emoji
managed to
tulisan
miss it.
sembah aku.
Well, we could be
Ah,
headed for a
bener-bener lo ya.
scenario which
Bala
next
raja,
goal is the
ho-ho-ho,
winner.
bala-bala,
That chance
bala
could
raja.
have been
Apa itu?
into.
Bang, kenapa nggak beli PS5? Makanya itu kan Anda itu di bawah kan ada ini. Make me some coffee, ya kan? Itu ya buatkanlah saya kopi di situ. Dibuatin.
And it's hoisted clear.
No, you just love the level of intensity here. Neither is prepared to back
Buatinlah
down,
kopi
and
dari
to be
situ,
honest, that's how
ya
it should be.
kan? Nggak ada salahnya kan?
Oh, great ball.
Ngelek. Astaga. Ngelek pak, tiba-tiba ngelek. Nah, nggak apa-apa kalau ngelek-ngelek sekali. Kalau jangan deh. Tapi ngeleknya fatal nih, gue lihat-lihat. Cepet passing. Kan? Untung aja.
You wonder if that's it now, but there may be one more opportunity, Peter, for a late steal.
Bang,
here.
kapan PS6 rilis? PS6 rilis 10 tahun lagi.
They're avoiding the blatantly obvious by not getting the ball into the opposition
10
box.
tahun lagi.
That's where it has to be.
Kira-kira saya seperti itu.
Osimhen. That's been intercepted.
Ayo all out attack, ayo nyerang semua
And
nyerang.
the counter is on.
Ayo Frankie.
Intercepted and it needed to be.
Seri. Ya sudah, tidak apa. Bang, kapan iPhone 20 rilis? Anda tanya CEO-nya Apple lah. Jangan nanya saya buat beli kenangan mantan kan. Kagak kocak, itu apa namanya, buat sosiabaz. Lu bukan kopi beneran. Harganya harga satu cangkir kopi 10.000 ya kan. Sosiabaz di apa di ini buat anda. Saya langsung beli PlayStation kamera atau ya beli PS5 kalau sudah cukup duitnya. Kayak subjek yang di Sosiabas harus saya ganti deh. Permen tidak mau keluar. Masuk. Lu udah nabung berapa, Bang? Itu ada di Sosiabasnya. Coba Anda lihat. Makan mie ayam 10.000. Mie ayam 16.000 sekarang deh. Enggak, 13.000. 13.000 yang ini ya. Oh, saya masukin ini dulu nih, Safawi Rashid nih ke dah. Mari kita gas lagi. Rp10.000 bang, tempat gue 10.000. Hah? Yang mie ayam ini saya yang Donoloyo, buset porsinya saya nggak pernah habis itu, jarang banget habis Donoloyo. Dia pasti mau grab ke Janji Jiwa kan? Enggak. Kalau itu saya pakai duit sendiri, bukan duit tabungan. Kan ada porsinya jajan buat jajan, ada yang buat tabungan gitu. Nggak semuanya ditabung, nggak. Pamit dulu ya, menonton dulu. Hayu ya hayu. Kalau di situ yang divisi 1 masih 0%. Ya mungkin belum ada yang divisi 1. Lah. Beda matchnya. Belum ada yang divisi 1, Pak. Saya butuh 10 poin lagi buat lolos. 10 8 poin. Di mobil udah banyak bang yang divisi 1. Oh iya, saya belum buka yang di mobil tuh. Orang pada jago-jago kali ya. Ya. Pertama faktor pemain kan, kalau pemain kan dari PES 2021 ke 2022 kan yang di mobile kesimpan kan. Kalau yang ini enggak kan. Yang 2022 kan belum resmi kan, yang kalau yang di konsol. Bahkan kemarin turnamen PES aja masih pakai yang 2021. Bang, cita-cita lu jadi apa? Saya pengen punya bisnis. Gue lihat post di grup FB. Apaan tuh? Post apaan? Bang, channel sebelah yang pro, nama channelnya apa? Nama channelnya ini Winda Basudara. Dia ngebantai orang 11-1 itu kan yang ada sebut. Jadi tukang prank kayak Gen Halil. Aduh. Saya tidak ikut campur adik-adik. Saya diam saja di sini. Saya tidak ikut-ikutan. Windah. Oh iya, Gen Helitar yang itu ya, yang keluarganya banyak banget itu.
So the wait is over, we can finally get going. Welcome to everybody who has joined us for this unmissable game.
Xavi Hernandez.
Hugely hyped. Undoubtedly
Lupa minta IG. Ini di apa? IG-nya di deskripsi, bro. Ada, bro. Coba gua tonton orangnya sejago apa sih dia. Enggak, dia apa? Cuma penghibur hasrat bocil doang, bro. Yang memenuhi hasrat bocil Indonesia.
Yeah, Ivan Rakitic. He's the kind of player who can really control a game from midfield. He's got fantastic technique and passing ability, and a pretty mean shot too, Peter. He's also a really useful defensive presence, always alert to any opposition threats, and pretty adept at nipping them in the bud.
Perasaan malam terus tuh acara. Ya daripada siang berbayang kan. Daripada berbayang mendingan malam saja. Bagus sih. Bisa sih sebenarnya kalau lu dulu kan ada friendly match, bisa lu atur kan situ. Bisa main siang juga.
but well dealt with.
Ronaldinho.
And
Yuk,
that's been
bagus.
intercepted.
Come on.
Defenders on the back foot. Fiddles
Yes,
it through.
come on Frankie.
Now it's De Jong.
Frankie.
Just
Frankie.
a goal. Big
Finish.
chance.
Ya.
It's run loose.
Ya
Who's
Allah.
gonna get there?
Wirtz, tolong Anda
Nico
memalukan
gets
sekali
good
itu.
distance on it.
Kenapa harus kepleset? Itu peluang besar banget loh di situ. Peluang terbuka lebar tapi Anda kepleset.
Conte. Oh, both starting the game at a pretty decent tempo.
Masalahnya pemain lawan
And it's
bagus-bagus
Conte.
nih.
And it's Memphis
Kenapa ayam mau
Depay.
nyebrang ke jalan?
It's
Saya tidak tahu.
Memphis Depay.
Mungkin dia mencari
Oh,
induknya.
fine stop from the keeper.
Baywan
Memphis
sama
Depay
pindah bang.
simply
Waduh.
didn't do anything wrong. He
Bisa
was
deh.
thwarted
Coba deh
by
boleh.
brilliance.
Bisa naikin channel YouTube saya juga kan.
Tsimikas.
Boleh, boleh. Gimana caranya, Pak?
Now looking
Saya
to
tidak punya
orchestrate a
akses untuk ke
counter.
sana.
It's a pretty loose pass.
Kontak aja kagak ada.
He acknowledges that he should have come up with something better there.
The movement was good, but the pass lacked authority.
Pelanggaran
A cause
tuh.
of mild
Harusnya.
frustration.
Cuma advantage.
Chance to
Yeah.
finish. And that interception was... He's gone for goal!
Holy.
Keeper
Again and
pulls
again.
off a fine save.
The keeper
Karena
really
ingin
dug out
sampai
his
ke seberang
defense
jalan
then.
nih.
A magnificent effort.
Bang, speknya pakai PC atau CPU? Ah? Maksudnya? Laptop. Maksudnya PC atau laptop? Laptop masuk. Oh iya. Apa namanya? Saya main di
Manchester
konsol, bro.
United can start a counter here.
Saya main di konsol, tidak main di
Now it's Wirtz.
desktop.
Room for a shot.
Duer, tidak masuk. Jangan lupa, Mas siapa itu? 3SD, jangan lupa di subscribe. Biar cepet 190-nya, biar cepet 200
Martinez.
subscribernya.
It's Memphis Depay.
Jangan lupa di
Nice
subscribe.
interception. His positioning was spot on.
Ya kalau
Now,
mau
who's gonna be first to
subscribe,
this?
kalau enggak ya nggak apa-apa juga sih.
Morishige gets a foot in here.
Hey.
He's got plenty of space out wide here. And that's been levered clear.
Oke, belakang dulu. Ya ampun, Wirtz, hey.
And that's the end
Halo,
of that. It all
dari tadi
started
Anda
well
berapa
enough.
kali ngelewatin bola kayak gitu?
Well seen. Saw
Tidak.
that coming.
Ih, out saya loh. Gue denger konsol ya saya bilang ya.
Conte.
Jadi
We're
pleset-plesetin
seeing
Anda
some
bener-bener.
really good pressure being applied here, Peter,
Siap
particularly
banget deh
from
PS
those
apa
guys up
Xbox
front.
One di PS.
It just, I suppose, Jim,
PS4.
denies the others time and space.
Well, I would call it
Saya
blanket
kalau main di
suffocation.
Xbox
Every
tidak
single
biasa
player is committed
analognya
to
di
the
atas
press,
gitu kan
and there's simply
kontrolernya.
no way out.
Duh, bener-bener pegel.
Filippo Inzaghi, well, he was given the time and room
Terlalu
initially
jauh.
to hold on to the ball,
Aduh,
but
Lautaronya
eventually
kosong
he was
tuh.
squeezed that bit
Tunggu.
harder and the task became too much. I
PS,
think he's got to be a
tuh
little
udah
quicker in
pada
his
jawabin tuh.
distribution then and
Bagus,
get others into the
viewer
match.
pintar.
Good spot. He's
Bagus
seen the
banget,
run.
gila. Umpan
This
membelah
dribble
lautan.
looks good.
Frankie.
Oh, shot a goal.
Wah gila nih DGR sih rada-rada ya.
Great save.
PS
Real
Bang
class.
kalau pakai MU harus
Filippo
menang
Inzaghi
oper
is
Ronaldo
very
penaldo.
sporting here
Oh.
to acknowledge the
Saya tidak punya
quality of the
penaldo.
save. A lovely little
Sayang
footballing
sekali ya.
moment.
Keeper's dealt with that. And it's Roberto Carlos. Rakitic. Look at the space here. It's a fine interception.
Gila, mulai emosi ya
Oh, good
dari
read.
tadi.
It's a good ball and it could be in.
Astaga. Passing kok yo kayak anak SMP, Mas.
Thiago
Aduh,
Silva.
passing nggak ada yang nyampe. Anjir, kiper mantap. Iya, memang nih siapa? David De Gea.
Barella.
Babaji, Hyper Ikis,
Memphis
Babaji.
Depay. Well seen. Saw that coming. Otavio.
Babaji, Ila Ikis.
And
Apa
the
gimana?
first half is done.
Ikis.
So both sides have
Ikis,
drawn
series
blanks.
Ikis.
They have
Babaji.
toiled at times, but it's not been a bad game by
Babaji,
any
Ila
means.
PlayStation 5.
Manchester United
PlayStation
head to the
5.
dressing room, not yet having broken
Lu
through.
citik.
Tight, cagey game.
Babi,
Neither team
apa?
any further forward than they
PlayStation
were when
5,
they started out.
PlayStation 5. Ulah lu citik.
Here we go again then. A tight old game so
Itu
far.
bahasa apa ya?
Kante is
Begituan ya?
fouled.
Man Group. Saya tidak nonton yang itu. Saya cuma nonton yang babaji doang sama Lakaka itu. Kevin De Bruyne yang itu tuh.
For Conte.
Ini orang
Pressing's
kenapa sih?
intense and it's paid off.
Salah lagi. Ampun, kepencet segitiga, Pak.
Interception.
Harusnya saya silang aja itu di situ.
Conte.
Man Group Nigeria. Oh, bahasa Nigeria. Itu ada kayak gitunya, logat kayak gitu ya. Nigeria ya. Anda tahu-tahuan saja. Cristiano Ronaldo.
Carvajal.
Itu baru konten kreator mantap.
And
Yang
it's
saya suka.
Ronaldinho.
Bukan yang itu, bukan yang apa namanya,
Neymar.
mandi lumpur.
Beautifully policed that midfield. The opposition have been handcuffed.
Poor pass that, sloppy.
Mulai menyindir
Gets his
ya.
pass away.
Mulai bandel
Well
emang.
weighted. Oh, and he's shapes to shoot.
Wah, gila nih kiper ya.
Barella.
Bener-bener loh.
Martinez. Goalless still. Neither side really getting onto
Ya
the front
ampun.
foot. Neymar.
Salah.
And that's
Kenapa ke
put
tengah?
into a
Harusnya ke
promising move.
Neymar tuh balik. Bala-bala apa yang enak? Messi Kimochi. Saya suka banget main game. Halo semuanya, wah
It's
itu
Ronaldinho.
saya sebenarnya, lu tahu ini nggak sih, Randy Emperor? Itu saya nyontek dari situ tuh, itunya. Sumpah jujur-jujuran aja. YouTuber Randy Emperor, Home Pimpa yang Igoy
Now it's
sama
Martinez.
Bambang, Akyong.
Martinez
Anda tahu kan
really
itu
needed to
harusnya.
concentrate on protecting the ball.
Nah, saya nyontek dari situ. Anda lihat deh ininya,
He was being
bionya
very
dia.
closely marshalled.
Nggak tahu ya kalau udah diganti ya. Dulu sih kayak gitu.
De Jong. Oh, it's played into the... Gets
Dur.
up to head it!
Astaga.
They just took too long getting forward.
Filippo Inzaghi simply took an age to make his mind up, Peter, when urgency was the single requirement.
Janji Gang Ngep main FF nggak bang? Tidak, saya tidak main FF, sayang sekali. Sumpah banyak yang nanyain. Setiap live, waktu itu juga ada tuh, siapa tuh yang nanyain. Kagak main FF bang? Kagak main FF.
Filippo Inzaghi.
Lingkungan saya pada main FF sih. Saudara main FF. Temen-temen main FF.
De Jong.
Wah gila nih kiper
He's
ya.
gonna be first to
Hey.
this.
Kiper Anda minum apa? David De Gea udah berapa save dia? 3 save ya, 3 save krusial dia.
An A+ grade.
Golin bang, iya dari tadi pengen digolin, cuma ini ada De Gea-nya aja ini. Mas kali aku ngeladenin De Gea. Ih
That's a
mantap.
brilliant interception. And now they can spring out of defence.
Luis Figo. Ya tidak dapat. Belakang saja.
And back to the goalkeeper.
Langsung depan. Neymar kosong. Kenapa tidak ke Neymar? Oh tapi dapat.
Fitz. And that's been intercepted.
No.
Decent
Kan,
looking ball.
ini penyakit nih kayak
And
gini
the
nih.
ball's a good one here.
No, jangan. Oke. Let's go.
And he's there to make a great
Tamatin di
save.
GTA, saya tidak pernah main GTA sumpah.
Sparked a
Main GTA cuma
tremendous stop
Liberty
there,
City
and
itu
I
pun
think
nggak
it's
tamat.
fair to add, he just wasn't expecting it.
Yang awalan yang nganterin orang itu kan. Itu doang udah Liberty City.
And it's Neymar.
Ayo Inzaghi maju. Yes. Come on. Belakang.
Roberto Carlos.
Ayo.
Half an hour gone in the second half. Some really good ball
Alah.
movement.
Don't you just love the level of intensity here?
Yang
Neither is
kita
prepared
udah.
to back down, and to be honest, that's how it should be.
Hey. Pelanggaran dong. Yes. Bang coba dong pakai basic team. Sumpah saya main di ini
Neymar.
playernya juga
Filippo Inzaghi.
tidak banyak. Sumpah.
Concentration levels
Basic
are very
team.
good, and so is the
Kartu-kartu
commitment.
aja
This
ini nggak ada
game
pelapisnya
could
nih
yet
bener-bener.
yield a winner.
Cuma ini doang yang bisa saya mainin klubnya. Timnya.
Oh, that's a key
Pemainnya.
interception.
Well,
Ya,
they
apapun
deserve
itulah
an
bahasanya.
awful lot of
Tim
credit
klub.
for their commitment to the cause, but it's a goal credit that
Astaga.
would be most welcome now.
Aduh. Dapat lagi dia. Tidak dapat dong.
It's a
Aduh,
great
set.
ball. Martinez
No, dapat.
plays it
Oke,
in.
mantap.
Don't you just
Neymar.
love the level
Oh,
of intensity
Frankie.
here? Neither is prepared to back down, and to be honest, that's how it should be.
Aduh, kenapa ke sono? Saya mau ke Wirtz dulu. Di atas. Halo Bang, halo Sultan. Selamat datang kembali. Lil Nus Nus, apa itu Lil Nus Nus?
And that interception
Aduh,
was
saya
most
baca komen langsung hilang bola gila.
It's Ronaldinho, Memphis Depay,
Barella.
Barella. He decent hit.
Oke. Apakah Master League akan ada di eFootball Mobile? Kayaknya nggak tahu ya, saya nggak tahu. Yang pasti nanti bakal ada di konsol
Now it's Inzaghi.
sama di PC tentunya. Kalau di mobile saya kurang tahu deh. Nanti berbayar kan? Master League bayar ntar. Nggak mungkin gratis juga. Dan ya, yang saya tidak suka dari Master League adalah ya tidak ada Liga Champions. Itu aja sih.
Barella.
Dan ya lisensi Premier League, lisensi Liga Champions, lisensi League Cup semua dipegang sama ini kan, sama FIFA. Bang main Smackdown terus bikin karakter Messi sama Ronaldo terus adu win. Saya tidak tidak punya Smackdown. Apakah Master League? Tidak, maksudnya benar-benar MU bang, pemainnya challenge gitu, ngumpulin pemain kan seru jadi konten. Masalahnya kalau ngumpulin pemain kayak gitu, saya kan harus punya duit ya. GP saya tuh cuma 300.000 kemarin. Jadi nggak cukup. Misalkan kayak Ronaldo aja, Ronaldo kan MU kan, harganya 490.000. Nggak nutup jadinya. Gitu. 2023 ada katanya. Oh iya 2023 katanya. Bayarlah, hahaha. Iya bayar, pasti bayar. Jadi DLC itu apa kepanjangannya DLC? Pokoknya C-nya konten deh kalau nggak salah deh. Coba. DLC meaning in games. Downloadable. Oh, downloadable content. DLC kepanjangannya apa? Ya, saya tidak tahu. Suara saya serak. Nyesel GP di PES 21 mobile gua hambur-hamburin. Iya, sumpah. Saya GP masih sisa 3 juta sekarang yang di mobile. Karena apa? Saya tidak kontrak legend. Saudara kan bilang udah kontrak aja itu legend. 3 juta buat apaan anjir? Ya sekarang dia mingkem. Halo punya 3 juta. Sumpah saya ada nyimpan 3 juta di PES Mobile. Ya memang berat, aku di mobile ngumpulin pemain juga. Chelsea. Kalau di PES kan nggak ada ini kan, nggak ada. Oh, tar dulu deh. Ini pemain mobile bukan? Lihat pemainnya deh. Ronaldo Great Finisher sama Depay Great Finisher dia punya. Dua-duanya. Di mobile lagi keluar kan ini? Kayaknya enggak deh. Logikanya Future Star, Upamecano Future Star juga. Vieira Iconic, Puyol Legendary, Oliver Kahn Legendary, ya iconic itu. Akun gue hilang padahal pemainnya lumayan bagus ya. Bagaimana itu nasibnya? Apa yang berak kak? aduh. Sabar bang, mangat ya. Udah jam 10 pak. Saya masih penasaran sama eFootball.
Well, it is a game which in the grand scheme of things may not have too much riding on it.
Coba ya, saya mau nyoba ini deh. Nyoba eksperimen bentar. Bentar. Saya mau nambahin ini ya. Sabar, Bu. Sabar. Nah, coba. Bentar ya, sabar. Pamo. Football. Nah, bentar. Backgroundnya kasih ungu atau merah deh boleh. Dah. Coba ya nih. Enakan gini nggak? Tuh. Coba. Tuh. Bang, internetnya berapa Mbps? Sumpah, apa namanya, saya kurang merhatiin. Cuma kalau di PS dapatnya cuma 1 atau 3 Mbps gitu dong. Biasanya dapat 20 sih kalau di mobile. Tuh, enakan gini nggak? Atau enakan kayak tadi? Cuma layarnya kecil sih, saya kurang enak nih main ini kayak gini nih. Coba Anda ini deh. Anda yang menentukan. Lebih rapih sih iya, lebih ada komennya. Kurang lisensi football, kalau banyak lisensi lebih terkenal daripada PES harusnya iya. Vizca Madrid, kenapa Vizca Madrid Vizca Barca dong. Gak enak ya kayak gini ya. Ya udah bola. Vizca Madrid, kenapa Vizca Madrid Anda? Kenapa tuh Boti datang lagi? Ya sudah, saya matiin dulu ya. Bentar, saya matiin dulu. Di mana cara matiinnya gimana? Lupa lagi saya. Ini. Advanced setting, matiin dah. Sekalian saya ngecas stick. Mari kita lanjut. We will never walk united You will never walk alone. Hala Barca, dia puter-puter aja sama mereka. Vizca Barca, Vizca Catalunya, gitu kan. Bisa kosong gitu gila. Satu gol lagi saya abandon ya, kayak gini ceritanya. Vizca Madrid, Vizca Barca, Hala Madrid, GG Arsenal. Dia Arsenal sendiri. Jago nih orang, sumpah. Jago sadadanya, sumpah ini orang. Hei, Inzaghi, yang benar-benar saja Anda bisa dicuri dari belakang kayak gitu. Masa cuma menang sekali sih, gila. Dua kali sih menang. Untung aja. Nggak tidur bang, tidak. Vizca Barca 82. One takes his sake, a takes fall in love with me. One taste is all it takes, one kiss is all it takes. Possibilities. Dapat. Ya, bangsat, apa itu gila? Begayaan salto di depan gawang. Ya Allah, Roberto Carlos. One kiss is all it takes. Possibilities. Jaga Vini, nggak bener nyanyi aja lu TAA. Jaga Vini melongo Anda, hei. Jangan nyanyi aja Anda. Kebiasaan TAA kayak gitu. Kastel lagu turu dong ya. Enggak, kalau ya tadinya kan saya pengen apa, karena lama nggak live streaming kan. Karena udah lama nggak streaming, saya pengen satu live streaming full copyright gitu. Jadi saya mau setel lagu bebas. Saya udah buat playlistnya bahkan. Cuma bagus sekali gol Inzaghi. Cuma tidak bisa ngeplay ternyata kalau mau live streaming. Botak Carlos gaya. Bener emang. Begaya amat. Itu by the way, Roberto Carlos dari tadi loh ininya. Udah lama loh, udah lumayan lama loh. Anda kenapa baru komen sekarang? Apa delaynya segitu lama? Saya baru bisa baca komennya sekarang loh. Kenapa? Kenapa nggak Frankie dulu?
Pedri. Lovely ball into space.
Bagus. Come on.
Neymar. Wirtz.
One kill is all it takes.
He's had a hit.
Lu kota mana, Bang? Jakarta, bro.
And the shots.
Come on, let's go. 2-2.
Manchester United are back on level terms.
What? Pale.
An act of
Rek
charity.
DJ Free Fire
brilliantly
Pale
received.
apa itu, saya tidak tahu, Pak. Undertale soundtrack. Oh, Undertale saya tahu tuh lagunya.
We have ourselves a real game here.
Pale.
Well, they're very much the
Ciduk
better
saya
team
nonton,
at the
Ciduk
moment,
Warrior.
Peter, and no doubt will be looking to cause even more damage here.
Pale.
Otavio.
Tidak ada pemain
And it's Inzaghi.
di tengah. Aku harus mau ngoper kemana? Aku bingung. Bangsatnya pemain ini juga jago banget lagi dia.
Now it's Memphis Depay.
Hey, oke. Sipo.
Chance to break. De Jong. Interesting ball.
Ayo.
played him through here.
Nggak dapet. Saya sampai ngangkat pantat gitu loh tadi.
And they can counter
Buat
here.
Carlos mau gaya. Kalau hashtag jangan di
And
ini
that
kocak, jangan
interception was most
dipakein
necessary.
spasi.
Long ball
Kalau mau
out to
bikin
the right.
hashtag, coba dah.
Couldn't quite squeeze that one through.
Jangan dispasiin.
And it's intense this.
Nggak jadi
There's
hashtagnya, coba.
pressure from
Jangan
the front.
dispasiin dah.
Nice ball and he's in here. And he's
No,
in a real chance.
masuk lagi.
Goal by
GG bang, anak Jakarta. Yes, thank you, Ngap. Yes, thank you.
themselves in front.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah, they've
Yes,
only
thank
got
you.
themselves to blame. Mistakes in those areas are very
Ayo
punishable.
Carlos, come on Carlos. Carlos, yes, lewat. Cutback, tidak masuk cutbacknya.
And that'll go
Alangin,
straight
alangin,
through to the keeper.
alangin, ayo alangin. Pin berulah. Aduh, sumpah komen pada banyak kayaknya yang miss banyak ya tadi ya komen ya.
Now who's gonna
Sorry
be
nih.
first to this?
Saya menikmati banget ini game. Meleng dikit hilang bola masalahnya.
Rakitic.
Fabio jago, amin semoga aja.
Are into stoppage time. That's
Ya,
been
aminin
cut
aja,
out,
bro.
well played.
Semoga aja bisa jago.
He's
Ya,
through
itu tengah
here.
kosong kan.
Oh, what a ball he's in. He's
No,
had a shot.
Ketinggalan lagi. Pin berulah, Ipin. Carlos gaya salto, widih. Kagak ada Maguire bang di tim lu, iya. Kayaknya saya harus beli Maguire ya. Harry Maguire, hashtag Fabio Kak, ya saya kalah betul. 4-2. Harry Maguire.
And we're underway again.
Langsung kan lagu itu
Well,
kan.
this half might require them to produce a plan A, B, and C. Leveling the score is
Lagu
easier
Lord
said
banget
than
tuh.
done, but that will be the target. Get back on terms and
Ya
then
ampun,
use that
gila
momentum to go
Locatelli
again.
ya. Bagus dapat. Yes. Thank you. Yes, thank
Here's
you.
Inzaghi.
Yes, thank you.
Neymar.
Yes, thank
And here's
you.
Inzaghi.
Yes, thank
Oh, he's
you.
in.
Shooting,
Great
thank you.
shot.
Yes,
They've
ambil bola,
scored.
boleh.
The second half sparks
Teori yes,
straight
thank
into
you.
life.
Kan setel turi IP di Spotify. Spotify-nya nggak mau muter.
And that is
Nggak
about
nyala.
as cool as
Lagunya
they
tuh nggak
come.
nyala.
He picked his spot expertly.
Now that's what I
Dan
call
pas aku
finishing,
mau
right in the
pindah
corner.
aplikasi
He knew
tuh, live streamnya
instinctively
langsung
who was
end.
where and didn't need to waste any time
Langsung
waiting. So
berakhir
that's
gitu
a
lah
cracking
streamingnya.
goal.
Number 27.
We have got ourselves a game here.
Well, I think they probably needed an early goal in this half just to give them the confidence and belief to push on and look for an
Neymar!
Ai, sayang sekali ibu-ibu.
There's his chance to lead
Bapak
the
Ibu udah
counter.
pakai Juventus bang, nantilah ya. Saya masih percaya sama jersey MU nih.
Just
Juventus
eases
nanti
him
kalau
off the
MU-nya
ball.
udah bapuk.
Yeah, the
Ini
hat-trick
masih
is
oke-oke
definitely
aja
on his
nih
mind,
MU.
Peter. He
Hei,
wants to get
kenapa
it
ke
over with
sana?
as quickly
Jauh
as he
sekali
can.
Anda.
Just
Passing.
about everything he's done, for me, he's done it with
Yes,
real conviction.
come on.
He certainly has really satisfying performance from him.
Jangan.
A smiling satisfaction
Kasih sini dulu,
emanating from him.
santai.
He is embracing
Santai-santai
this
salah
game.
passing.
And here's
Carlos.
Roberto Carlos.
Masuk Neymar.
receives it in a good position here.
Wirtz. Wih, ditahan Sid. Wah, Sid gak bener.
It's
Dor.
come back
Ya
out.
ampun, ke atas gila.
And for a moment,
Kas setel
time
turi
stood
IP
still.
itu dah. Ronaldo, Nazario, Braithwaite. Jangan Braithwaite atau Ronaldo, Bang. Tentu saja Breti. Enggak, itu penilaian subjektif ya.
Oh, he's picked out the runner.
Jangan di
Memphis Depay is in a
bawa-
really good position out wide.
serius. Awas, buang ibu, tolong ibu.
The attendance
That's
Aman.
been one straight back. Vieira.
60,810.
This might spell danger.
No, tolong. Oke.
Oh, it's die-hard defence and the willingness to put his body on the line. Very impressive.
Oh, they could break here. Oh,
Oh.
good read. De Jong.
Oke, ayo, come on, Otavio.
Otavio. He's got
Dapat.
away.
Oke.
Played into
Crossing,
the box.
Inzaghi masuklah. Masuklah. Ya
Now,
ampun,
who's gonna be
kiper.
first to this?
Set kiper ya. Dari tadi ya, pelanggaran.
Foul. Simple decision for the
Pakai
referee.
Bang, pakai squad lord, Bang, buset. Simic kemana sekarang? Iya, Simic kemana ya? 2018 saya terakhir nonton Simic.
Marquinhos.
Gacor sekali ya dia. Ngolin gol salto kan waktu lawan Bali.
It's Pedri. Manchester
Di
United
final
upping
Piala
the
Presiden
intensity
lagi,
here,
gila.
having lost possession.
Yeah, it's actually very good pressing.
Udah nggak
They
di
want it
Persija,
back
tahu
as
dah.
quickly as they can
Oh,
get it.
kayak katanya
And
yang
they're hunting
kontraknya
in
itu
packs
ya,
to do
yang
just
apa?
that.
Good to watch.
Katanya
It
mau
really
cabut
is.
itu
It's
ya.
rugged
Ya saya
and robust,
sempat baca tuh
but
dari
it
itu.
still needs plenty of
Simic
intelligence and-
cabut
and teamwork.
dari Persija gara-gara apa? Cabut paksa gitulah. Kayaknya
Rakitic. Otavio.
langsung retire gitu. Retire mah pensiun. Dapat dong, aduh gila, kagak
Defence
dapet.
has got rid of that.
Peter,
Ayo, man,
they
attacking.
have to fight the
Jangan
onset
all out
of
attack.
desperation and keep
Kan,
enough
langsung
cool
kan.
heads
Kena
to
counter
still
kan.
deliver.
Ah, no.
Great
Oh,
lead.
langsung aja. Bang, ingat gua gak Itok
Would have been
ganteng.
game, set and match.
He got too
Hah,
ahead of himself
itu
there,
ganteng.
thinking how he could have made things
Saya
safe.
tidak tahu. Itok ganteng malah. Sumpah saya lupa, Pak. Simic kemana? Boy, wih ada Sorjono di sini.
Good pressure. No shortage of
Mas
purpose
Tron,
here.
teman kerabat. Kemana saja Anda, teman kerabat?
Good work on the right flank here.
Namanya
Gets
teman
away from
kerabat,
his
gila.
opponents.
Mana saja Anda absen, Bang? Ada Kenzi, ada Sulon, ada Rafasha, ada Malik, ada Rafasha, ada aduh, Oliver, ada Kan, ada Cristiano, ada Ronaldo, ada Winda, ada Basudara, ada Miao, ada Au, ada teman, ada kerabat, ada Kenzi, ada Channel, ada ABC, ada ABCD EFG, ada Rama, ada siapa lagi? Ada Ren. Ada bocil absen, ada bocil Juventus, ada bocil Barca, ada bocil Jokowi.
Fiddles it through. He could be in here.
Ya ampun, saya salah ngomong gak tuh?
Now it's Memphis Depay. And it's in. And surely that does it. Perfect
Boy,
time. Decisive
boy.
strike.
Boy, ujian dia. Anda baru kelar ujian ya?
Well, to his credit,
Ya,
he
saya tahu.
managed to ghost into space to finish things off, but
Saya
the
sudah
failure to
libur.
spot him was ghastly
Allahu
defense.
Akbar, dodo, 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 dodo.
Bayern Munich. Cristiano Ronaldo.
Ah, tidak masuk, Kak. Dodo, hey, penaldo.
Great idea, just poorly executed.
Ya, Anda ngapain
There's no
sujud-sujud
doubt
udah
he made
menang,
the
hey.
right decision,
Mana
but
sih?
without the right result.
Gua nonton live lu dulu pas PES 2022. Udah makan, Bang? Udah, aman, santai. Saya sebelum live streaming makan dulu.
James. Otavio. That's Vince.
Buset, itu ada dorongan goib gitu loh
Been intercepted.
ke
It's
Wirtz.
Inzaghi. Oh, that's a fine interception. And he's
Langsung long
used
ball,
it away.
Upamecano ke Cristiano Ronaldo.
Pressing's intense.
Buset,
and
dia
it's
langsung
paid
all
off.
out defense gitu loh. Cuma nyisain Ronaldo
He's
di
on the back foot.
depan ya, cuma juga
Oh, he's
berbahaya
broken
juga
the
nih.
line here.
Ya merah nih
Little
kayaknya.
doubt, that is a
No,
foul.
jangan sampai kartu merah lah.
And
Oke,
he's gonna have
nggak
his
apa.
name taken.
Ujian masa depan. Waduh. Ujian masa depan. Tar dulu, gue pengen berak. Yang lagi lihat live ini, dipersilakan untuk game COC dan masuk clan gue. Oke. Iya pak, sumpah di clan kagak ada yang aktif. War aja cuma siapa yang nyerang? Tidak ada yang nyerang di war. Saya udahan kali ya. Satu kali lagi deh, satu kali lagi baru saya udahan. Bangsat. Aduh, permen udah mau habis dari tadi saya makanin. Permen. Kita lihat berapa subscriber. Tadi 184 ya. Sera 185 subscriber, mantap. Speknya apa? PS4 gitu aja. Ada yang komen pak. Lu kalau on jam berapa sih? On COC saya jam berapa aja saya mah. Kalau lagi megang HP, lagi ini COC ya saya on. Habis kalau COC misalkan kita nge-raid, saya males nge-push trofi sebenarnya. Dapat lawannya justru susah-susah. Yang nyerang malah jadi orang-orang kayak TH9 udah nyerang saya. Coba udah rapotan bang? Belum. Udah, saya mau udah. Kalau saya udah, mungkin anda belum ya. Gue nggak bisa main COC ya, nanti kan apa namanya ini anda masuk apa namanya apa sih lu ngomong apa lo? Nanti HP anda kan datang, santai aja, HP-nya sudah OTW. Waduh, gue prematur, sama saya juga prematur. Orang TH8 temboknya masih level 6. Saya jam berapa aja on sih, kalau bisa on ya saya on. Aduh, tenggorokan sudah mulai sakit.
Well, hello, welcome one and all. It's a pleasure to have you with us. As you can see, we are all set. The game should be a
Bang kagak beli Maguire. Oh iya, beli Maguire. Maguire berapa harganya by the way?
We have a grand mass of noise and colour, and the juices are flowing. So red and white, of course, the preeminent colours at Old Trafford, which is now officially the largest club football ground in England. Its capacity 75,000 and growing.
Halo, kenapa suaranya begini ya?
We have already started here.
Anda berasa nggak suaranya patah-patah gitu?
You know, Peter, there's a player down
Atau
there
enggak?
who
Apa
I've
mana
always
aja?
admired.
Inzaghi! It's bounced out.
Dapat aja sih dia.
Goal!
And what a great way to start the game. To spark the game. I mean, the
Tembok
captain has
gue yang
basically
akun
triggered a
COW
contest
prematur
that
ya,
should be
sumpah
even
itu
livelier than we
yang
anticipated.
COW TH
Get your
doang, TH
seatbelts
11 ya.
on. This could be rather
TH 11
exciting.
apa TH 12 itu?
Neymar
12.
at his
12
razor
ya.
sharp best there.
Listen, he would have been
Buset,
advised
pada
to
mas level
do
1
that as a
semua.
kid,
Santai
and
aja
it's
bro jadi kalau
obviously
prematur.
etched in his mind.
Yang penting kita serang dan serang. Menyerang
Oh, just like
kita
a
tidak
decent
ada apa itu
finish.
defense.
All he'll be thinking is, please, ground.
Apa namanya
slow
kalau
me.
musuh juga nyerang pakai full naga juga kan? Pro full Dread atau enggak Lalun. Biasanya kan
Neymar
orang-orang main kayak gitu.
played for Conte.
Tidak ada apa itu Queen Walk, Warden Walk, tidak ada.
Filippo Inzaghi, De Jong,
Gila, ini
Filippo
putus-putus gitu
Inzaghi,
tanya.
and here's Inzaghi, tries a shot.
Yes,
He
come on,
scored.
lagi.
A game of thrills, all
Halo,
square
Claudio.
in the blinking of an eye.
Tembok gue akun halo Claudio, itu apa bang? Rumah indie. Si merah berinisial I yang selalu membuat saya was-was kalau live streaming. Rumah indie.
Well, look, he moves and manufactures in unique fashion. This guy is sheer class.
taka,
And that
tiki
has added a
taka,
whole new complexion
jerat,
to the game.
yes,
Well, there's
cutback,
resilience for you,
ah,
Peter. As a side, they never lost focus despite the setback, and this is thoroughly merited. For me,
Otavio
now they
crossing,
can
jebret,
go on
tidak
better,
masuk,
possibly.
tidak masuk, tidak dapat,
That's
tidak.
going to go a long way.
Halo Bang Lev, sampai jam berapa ini? Terakhir kok last game aku.
Nicely intercepted.
Dikit lagi.
James. Passes short and sharp.
Come on, Inzaghi
Gets
dapat.
his pass
Yes.
away.
Flashing.
Decent hit.
Ah, gila. Dari tadi kiper pada OP banget. Kiper saya lawak.
Neymar.
Enggak sih, dari tadi yang lawak midfieldnya sih, gila.
Pressure
Salah
already
umpan
building up
mulu.
here. Octavio. James.
Come on, James. Ah,
Defending of the desperate variety. Chance to break.
suara lu nge-lag Bang. Oh iya, tadi juga apa suara ininya nge-lag kok. Sekarang udah enggak kan?
Right, look
Aku live
promising,
ya,
but the
semangat.
ball is
Oke, Claudio.
just not quite right.
Habis ini gua udahan kan.
Neymar already
Udahan
across
kan
on
gue
the score
pamit mau
sheet.
nonton Wibu. Buset, nonton Wibu. Gimana? Wibu kan fans
Oh, good read.
anime. Anda nonton anime dong harusnya gimana? Bukan nonton Wibu.
Through the
Ngapain
first
Wibu Anda
period,
tontonin?
and
Hei,
it's looking quite a game here.
gimana sih?
Roberto Carlos.
Yo,
No, that's been intercepted.
Wibu ditontonin. Habis ini beli,
And the counter is
habis
on.
main beli Maguire
Now
ya.
then, the ball's come loose.
Habis main coba ya. Kita lihat kalau harganya worth it ya
Pass
saya
wasn't good
beli.
enough there, and he knows
Kalau
it.
nggak worth it ya tidak saya beli.
And that's been intercepted. Filippo Inzaghi. And there's his chance to lead the counter.
Wirtz, come
Oh, he's
on.
through the middle. He's through now, is he? And the shots.
Ah gila nih kiper lawan ya.
Oh, that is asking
Sumpah.
for trouble.
Besar semangkanya.
Simply
Wah,
have to tip
semangka
his hat
apa
to the
itu
keeper
maksud
here
Anda?
because
Pasti
that
Anda
was a magnificent save.
mengirimkan pesan tersirat kalau kayak gitu namanya. Apa maksudnya itu, hey? Pasti ada maksud tertentunya juga itu. Maksud niat jahatnya tuh biasanya.
Manchester United upping the
Udah suzon
intensity
aja
here,
gila.
having lost possession.
Yeah, it's
Habis
actually very
tiba-tiba
good
besar
pressing.
kali
They want it
semangkanya.
back as quickly as they can get it, and they're hunting in packs to do just that.
Good to watch.
It really is. It's rugged and robust.
Shapes to shoot.
Ai,
Oh,
besar
they
semangkanya
really should have been made
dipasang.
to pay.
Oh ya.
Well, one sloppy lapse like that can do a lot of
Pasang,
damage, and it was
oke,
triggered
aman
by
ya.
the closing down.
Anda nyari masalah bener-bener.
Opts to play.
Wirtz.
He's had a hit.
Yes. Akhirnya bobol juga, jebol
Manchester
juga.
United.
Come on, Florian
The
Wirtz.
game is well and truly turned on its head.
GG, akhirnya jebol juga. Dia melakukan kesalahan yang sangat fatal. Karena apa? Jarak antar pemainnya terlalu jauh dia. Antara center backnya
Manchester
sama
United
midfieldnya jauh
go
banget.
into the lead.
Yeah, they deserve great
Terlalu
credit
banyak
for
orang
turning
di depan
things
bola.
around, but they'll now need the defensive resilience to equal that
Kalau main
attacking
gitu
flair.
Anda harus main possession, bro.
Oh, no.
Kayaknya dia main
No
long ball
circumventing this
counter
opponent.
deh.
And here's Nakata.
Atau nggak ya main long ball
Yeah,
biasa.
that's top defending and preventing him turning, which can open up many possibilities.
Nah, kan masuk lagi kan Wirtz.
Now it's Wirtz. Oh, nice touch. He's got plenty of space out wide.
Duer.
Massive lead.
Ah gila, apa itu bola-bola pantul
Oh,
seperti itu?
fine stop from the keeper.
Duluan jangan
Well, as
lupa itu
Tesco
serang
put it, the
kapitalkan.
keeper
Udah dua
just
kali saya
received an A+
pakai
grade.
9 sneaky archer. Enak banget pak, sneaky archer bisa nge-snipe gitu.
And the goalkeeper's
Enak deh
got a
pokoknya.
good palm to that.
Anda keluarin satu.
James. Neymar.
Anda akan mendapatkan persentase yang sangat besar.
There will be 1 minute at a time.
Neymar.
Ai, ini kan counter kayak gini nih males nih.
Neymar goes on a run
Rese
down
banget
the
ya.
left wing. Nakata. And
Ah,
here comes the
corner
corner.
lagi, masih ada corner lagi. Bagusan PES atau bagusan FIFA?
This possibly the
Kalau
last play
penilaian
of the
secara
half.
objektif ya, jujur-jujuran nih ya FIFA. Udah FIFA. Sekarang FIFA masih di atas.
And
Sebenarnya nggak bisa
that'll be the last
dibandingin.
act of the first half.
kalau lu bandingin kualitas, iya bagusan FIFA. Cuma kan sebenarnya nggak bisa dibandingin karena beda kelas pasar kan, beda target pasar seperti yang saya omongin kemarin. Target pasarnya FIFA itu menengah ke atas, kalau target pasarnya eFootball menengah ke bawah, makanya mereka bikin gratis gamenya, karena mereka lihat potensi di mobile kan banyak banget playernya, ya seperti itu kira-kira ya. Makanya sulit buat dibandingin. Buat aku minimum 5 ya, masukin klan biar ada banyak member, buset. 5 bukan main-main. Aduh, sekarang saya yang kesalahan. Oh enggak, aman. Oh, it's under lagi. Under control. Buset, didorong deh gitu untuk pelanggaran, gila. Ajaib sekali ini. Filippo Inzaghi. Ya, Anda mau ngapain?
Neymar. Otavio. Filippo Inzaghi.
Offside. Oh, enggak deng, pelanggaran. Itu kan serangan ada 6, selesaiin semua mubazir. Oke, siap. Minggu nonton timnas gak bang? Pasti nonton lah. Apalagi kemarin menang sama Kuwait kan. Ya minimal seri lah lawan Jordania lah ya. Kalau lawan Nepal hitungannya harusnya udah menang. Lu calculated win lah itulah. Udah pasti menang lah itulah lawan Nepal. Yang penting sekarang lawan Jordania jangan kalah aja. Kalau bisa jangan kalah. Siapa tahu Kuwait menang lawan Jordania kan nggak ada yang tahu. Ya itu bisa bahaya. Ya udah duluan. Assalamualaikum sobat. Waalaikumsalam kerabat. Waalaikumsalam rekan. Tenang. Menurut lu gue bikin ini nggak live commentary nggak? Watch along gitu. Kayak waktu itu. Live commentary. Passingnya.
Filippo Inzaghi, well, he was given the time and room initially to hold on to the ball, but eventually he squeezed that bit harder and the task became too much. I think he's got to be a little quicker in his distribution then and get others into the
Harga
match.
PS berapa bang? Anda cek di topet saya.
Rakitic.
Saya capek.
Now it's Nakata.
Ya benar, memang habis ini harus sudahan.
Good spot, he's seen the run. Oh, that is a... Can he put it away? Oh, that is really good tenacity.
Saya sudah mudahan habis ini. Lu beli PS4 pakai uang sendiri bang. Ini kado sunatan dulu. Waktu masih kelas 2. Awet kan PS4 saya. Iyalah. Belum pernah diservis lagi.
Well, this is exactly the approach they have to take now, Peter.
There is an irresistible, irrepressible look about them here.
You know, the interest value in this game might just take off from here.
Yes, come on.
And here's Roberto Carlos.
Well, Peter, just see here how a lot of the attacking players aren't dropping back anymore.
And that means just one thing, I suppose.
Yeah, they just simply want to engage the counter-attack.
Nakata. It's Nakata! Oh, that was no routine save.
Oh, that's a sparkling save. Absolutely sparkling. His reflexes work ultra sharp.
Morishige tries to clear. Conte. He's cut it out. Oh, he's caught him in or out.
Aduh.
The referee decided that he was
Bang, ortu lu
fouled
mana bang? Itu
outside the box,
lagi tidur
and
di
it is
bawah.
just a free kick.
Saya kan di kamar.
Yeah,
Ortu
this
saya di
could
bawah.
well be defining when you're looking back on events.
Seperti anak-anak biasanya lah.
Neymar! It's loose and there's a race for the ball. In for the follow-up.
Tidak, saya belum tinggal sendiri,
That is
bro.
rather wayward.
Do I
Masih di
really
rumah
need to
orang
tell
tua.
you, Peter, that he
Saya
has to
masih
do better,
mengenyam
especially from
pendidikan,
there.
dunia pendidikan. Makanya
Neymar,
daripada saya nganggur, mendingan saya nge-YouTube.
Wirtz,
Nganggur kan libur panjang.
delicate pass out to the flank. Can he latch on to this?
Nggak dapet lagi.
Manchester United clearly have been instructed to kill this off. Offence is the best form of defence.
And it's Neymar. Well seen, saw that coming.
Peter, they have to fight the onset of desperation
kalah, Bang,
and
ya.
keep enough cool heads to still deliver.
Aman, harusnya aman. Lawannya saya tidak melihat
And here's the chance to
lawannya
counter.
jago-jago banget.
Octavio. Out towards the flank. Back into the middle.
Ih gila, kenapa nggak ini sih?
And here's Inzaghi.
Di
Oh, he
PES
had to
tuh
make that,
hobi
and
banget
he did
mereka
make it.
pemain-pemainnya.
Now the
Langsung
counter.
umpan ke depan gitu ya. Long ball gitu ya.
And it's
Long
Nakata.
pass.
He's left his man. Filippo Inzaghi.
Keep calm and carry on. That's the...
Woi, pelanggaran
Nakata
sih.
with the challenge, and he has given away a free kick. Octavio,
Salah passing lagi kan.
Neymar.
Nih.
and that interception was most necessary.
I think we're about to see a frenetic finish. No half measures from here.
Dapat.
Oh, that's
Aduh.
well spotted.
Biasanya tidur jam berapa, Bang? Soalnya jam 11 udah tidur pas saya. Normal.
Their priority lies further back.
Jam 11 sudah tidur. Tidak sampai ngalong sampai malam enggak
And
lah.
it's Inzaghi.
2 added minutes
It's a
has
promising
been
ball.
indicated.
Oh, that's a fine interception.
Ayo. Mainkan 2 menit.
Confirmation that there will be 2 minutes stoppage time. Skriniar
Mainkan,
spots it
yes, dah.
and intercepts.
Kelar sih. Yes. Dah. Laga terakhir
And that's
malam
it.
ini.
Manchester United have done
Terima
it
kasih.
in dramatic fashion. A massive test of character, and they passed it with flying colours. A
Terima
truly
kasih
outstanding
banyak.
comeback by any measure. Filippo Inzaghi picking up the Man of the Match award.
Sudah diakhiri dengan kemenangan. Terima kasih yang sudah nemenin. Terima kasih yang sudah join live. Saya udahan dulu. Dah. Capek. Saya langsung rebahan ini kayaknya. Dah.